6 days to climax November. Now, as usual, we are here with our news headlines for the week. So going straight into the news headlines for this morning, beginning with the general news, GAF closes all recruitment centers except Elwak Stadium. Joy News.
Ayo, we Joy News and anyway, eba which we say. Asra dom kuo no recruitment a wonum eye nanse mu hɔ ya ebeto odwa wo kyerɛ sɛ centers ahodoɔ na amia ahodoɔ no a wo bie de aka elwak ho ne nyina ne sɛ wonum epɛ sɛ wo mo hwɛ na kyɛ sɛ bibia ekodin enam recruitment ho nsɛnsɛm nti ɛnɛ yi de Joy News akunkyerɛ bia gu abɛfo ntintan videos a wo kyerɛ sɛ centers anaasɛ mia ahodoɔ a wo bie ka ho no ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ mpanimfo atotuma sɛ elwak pɛ and adwumadi ana recruitment in ekoso.
Gender Ministries assures action on all reported abuse cases. Joy News.
Joy News ukronwa ena eka asem na kyerɛ wɔsoafo a wɔhwɛ enipa ho ensɛm so eni afisɛm banbɔ ho ensɛm so ena eneyi wɔde atodwa wɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ case aba n'anim nyinaa ɛfa ɛyɛ asisire anaasɛ ɛfa ateti ɛwɔ fie ɛne enipa entam no wɔbɛhwɛ na wɔdi so na wɔde de ato baabi ɛsɛsɛ da.
Away from that, Akwemohene of Mpasaso #2 appeals to Mahama over escalating illegal mining crisis. Joy News.
Joy News ukronwa esen kawe a wɔkyerɛ sɛ ukopie mu ɛwɔ akwamu wɔnom mine a ɛwɔ hɔ ya ebia wodi ne mine ɛyɛ Mpasaso #2 ɛna ɛnɛyi wɔde ato owura John Dramani Mahama ya wɔyɛ Ghana mampani animu sɛ ukopie mu ɛwɔ wɔnom atena yɛ deɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ galamsey agye nsɛmu yie wɔ hɔ bu yie papaapa ɛnɛyi deɛ wɔnom ehunu amane nti aban ɛmra wɔnom ahyem.
Still on the Galamsey fight, there are times that we fire back at Galamseyers, but the bullets fail to penetrate their bodies due to their spiritual fortification. We always focus on getting rid of their talisman and amulets before we are able to subdue them. This is coming from the Western Regional Manager Forestry Commission, Nana Poku Posompe.
Yo, we atoya mantamu wonum Regional Manager Forestry Commission, Nana Poku Bosompem ena enei wode atodwa a wɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ wo bepie wɔnom aso yɛ hɔ nom a empempi ya wɔ mo kɔ ɛyɛ galamsey site anaasɛ yɛ na hye so ene yɛ forest ahodoɔ no a kwaye mu a empempi ya na galamsey fo no wɔ hɔ no wɔnom etimi atutuo ɛbɔ emu nipa bi sɛ kɔba ne sɛ ehu hia nanso wɔnom atutuo no a enya adeɛ sɛ etimi ka ɛyɛ galamsey fo ne nyinaa ne ɛyɛ enuro ene banseria egu wonum asene a wode ensemi atudwa.
We have burnt a number of shrines in various forests which were being used to spiritually fortify illegal miners in their operations. Still Nana Opoku Bosompe, Western Regional Manager Forestry Commission.
Western Regional Manager Forestry Commission ene ono nso ogusu a wɔka we a wɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ nkwaya ahodoɔ no agalamsey fo ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ wɔnom ɛwɔ ɛyɛ asɔneɛ anaasɛ wɔnom ɛwɔ bea bi a kyɛ sɛ wɔnom ɛde yɛ wɔnom nyankomadeɛ ɛne nti kwaye ni mu no wɔnom akɔpie so a sɛsɛ yahye ɛyɛ shrine deɛ pɔtakasɛm yɛ ka ne saa no yahye shrine no dodoɔ no a ɛno ɛboa ɛma galamsey fo no ɛbɔ wɔnom ho ban ɛwɔ sunsum mu fam no wɔnom ahye bebere papaapa ɛno nso ɔde ho asɛm atodwa.
Moving back to Accra Mayor warns commercial drivers against unapproved fee increases. Accra Mayor warns commercial drivers against unapproved fare increases ahead of festive season. Daily Graphic
ɛna ɛka we a wɔkyerɛ sɛ wobepie mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ enkran hanom a mayor ya wo krom hanom ɛyɛ Michael Pakpo Alote ɛna enei wɔde kokɔbɔ ɛkwa ma driver fo yie pa ne nyina ɛne sɛ wɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔyere ɔmo kete sɛ efiri abre ya ɛkɔ eni kwan sɛ driver ni bi ɛgye ɛyɛ fɛ anahyɛ asentuaboɔ ya ɛnsɛ sɛ wɔgye ne nyina ne sɛ yɛba bedi bro nyantie ne ti wɔde kokɔbɔ nsɛm akwa ma wɔn yie pa.
To the Ghana National Fire Service contained major fire at Wager Junction Plastics Warehouse. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic and a airka way I watch as udum judgma yukono abo wonum homodia etimi aso a jar da a year plastic warehouse be a no way junction a mooning na any say a idea say a jay a to honum na no meneda a tramwe na udum judgma yukono ya mencha de one a copy what temwa say in fan confirm my one etimi so a jananoa just a bibia ekodedi.
Police pick up man seen in viral video forcing child to smoke. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic and a eka we se Ghana for behra na nsemu ho ene na wo na watwe awie ena emfonyini bi etwagu a eye owura bi wo di cigarette ama abofra kuma bi a wo kire se wonom ene yi ababeto dwa se eye sa be ma no a wo di sa bonfo sem aposifo aso ne panchi.
Student riot faces closure of Wa Technical Institute. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom ena eka we ya wo kire se okopiemu ewo Wa Technical Institute na chese eyade se empanimfo ato eye suadan mu ni nyina ene se asukufo basabasa ya wonum ye na menteme ho ase esi wonum entem no entwa ye kura me enam so amasuku ni yatum.
Moving forward to our business news for today. Ghana Standards Authority awaits Finance Ministry approval to recruit 500 officers to intensify fights against substandard goods. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ena eka we a watch we say eye Ghana Standard Authority ya yetwetia efre won GSA ena ne wo hwe eye wo soafo wo hwe so man sika sem so se wo bebo modin afa nipa makoma ahanum aba wonom aso ye se de be ya wo mo bebo awura market ana se edwa wodo no a ama ade esese ye ton ana se menka ne se standard eniema ye betimi ade agu akwan mu ama na ye yi aye ton no empanimfo ebe hwe ho na wo hu se adwadifo na nkasa no edi saa enhyehyeye ne so a.
Ghana's agribusiness sector poised for growth. Trade Ministry to Daily Graphic Business.
Trade Minister ana Trade Minister na sa hwe asoya wonum ehwe edwadie ho ensensem so na wo kire se eyade sesei wo bepiemu ewo agric business a chese niema ekọ nanim ye papa wonum ebo o maso ye abaso ye wo kire se eneidie eyade se agric business atimi akọ nanim ye pa.
Bank of Ghana governor takes CD at 60 education to macula traders, urges proper handling of bank notes. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom ena eka we ya na kire se penny pa wono eda oman yensika krabia ano Dr. Johnson Esiama ena ene na no ada yen Ghana yesidi no enya eye aduosia na kise 6 years a wo faasa akwanya isu ekopie mu ewo mokola market anase mokola dwemu a wo kire ye maame no madwadifo kwan a ye befa so a ye betumi ekita yensika ne na afia san adinini.
Moving to our international news for today, Guinea-Bissau goes to polls with president seeking a second term in office. Africa News.
Africa News ena eka we a watch se okopie mu ewo omai Guinea-Bissau eyade se eye enipa bi ene omampani a ewo ho ahye abato ase ani nyina ne se wonom esan ehwe se mampani asisi a wote so no obesan akoni mpire no suo ama wo man no suo asumdi atimi akoso a atenum.
To our second international story, number of children abducted in school attack raised to over 300. Africa News.
Africa News ena egusu a woka we ukopie mu ewo Nigeria wonum state baabi ne miamia baabi a kire se enipa bonfo bi ekoto hye eye asukufo so aneyi ye chichichichi wo mu a ababeto dwa se eyade se wonum ekenkan asukufo ya empani enipa bonfo ache wo mu a na chese asukufo ebebro mako aha sa 300 ena sisi a no wonum ekan a aye nipa bonfo acheche wonum a African News akunchire bi ede emayen.
So these are all the stories we came with this morning. As usual, we'll do 1 or 2 stories for discussion this morning. Green, or which story would you prefer for discussion?
Okay, the America wasem no man na or you who viral video say woma neba ababa wa ketwa 2 years cigarette say on no. I mean, it's high time ye mu bi e ho sese bio ye de adwene ye adwuma kakra wo hu se obi ayade ama ya che no na nso so adekoro no a enya sa adekoro no o ya similar thing aya na mi bisa mu nyansa na yensua ana sese bi mpraduasa nimde no na aya na enduru ye mu binum ho ana se social media na ye fa ana se ti apia because odia wo show cigarette I mean obi anu ni asem but to the extent say wo de be ma wo baketwa no waka kire say onnom. What are you trying to prove?
It's wrong. And you see, this one goes against the Child Harmful Substances Violates the Children's Act. So the Act is 1998 Clause Act 560, which protects children from physical, psychological, and moral harm.
Abuse.
And see, just like I was saying, you feel that it's okay, even legally, it's not right.
It's not right.
Na ye ka se upenyini enye mawa abofra ketwa
na there's a nom
abofra ketwa onu say the child is vulnerable na all the man say onnom into upenyini pa no just say so one pa say just say enye wa adwe na sebi fault wo ho
aya na me bi sa say omo ya na o masan so camera si omo so no what are they trying to prove?
Nothing do my shoulder.
Where do you miss her? Where do you miss her? Where miss her? What movie say? Yeah, they are just, you know,
was
me who are some neka.
I like the fact that Ministry of Gender has taken this case up.
Yes, it was our mama. It shouldn't end there. Yes, it shouldn't end there. And many are just say we quote this Children Act because ombe jina so dinner semana say bia they are convicted because you cannot just stand up now we video now we no kwa we video now akola ketu no woni baby wa friend na video nim the cigarette take oh Charlie
legally it's wrong now who pay you say na akola yenko eni why na bakwa ya me den so ye mayor ni asem na okan yen say a driver for no mama fa bronya ho enwe akoko
a driver for asem do kan wunwie o
say festive season mu be try
o ka kura ko mi be di
very friend now so no or cars be mu age mama
wadi metida
we say cars be age mama they can why because these ones according to him he says he described the arbitrary fare hikes as unfair, exploitative, and a violation of the Operation Commercial Vehicles Bylaws 2017. It's me almost say emra
because our bylaw yes you almost passing in 2017. And you know we no the ebeye papa ne say e was say wo muti nipa gu monten so.
Yeah.
Na one enforce yes na one enforce said the ebeye asa nhihye ye betimi ye banya za we waka gu mfuna mamu no eye kwa
ye man nkofo no ngu kro no mu they shouldn't put on any uniform but while everything is going they should be filming it secretly. Now we are now obedru station ho no na no so afre nkofo no say ye becho station ho for evidence sake because nkofo be fa bronya ho akoko festive season say honey higher 5 cities so because it's 20 and it's outrageous. Like I always say that economy ni mo ayedin but we are the major contributing factors to the hardship in the economy.
Very true.
We are the major contributing factor to the hardship in the economy. Na if you na so bo akobo aban na aban ya say so by every year, I did also only 5 cities, now also 10 cities. I did also only 10 cities, now also 20 cities. I didn't see adding. Now we are more market, so now market women so the gym and you feel yeah. Only say
ordinary man no, only na ehuna man because car betted or cotton that the
other two double. It's very wrong. So just like the mayor was saying, me I'll be grateful. Say yes, we are trying to say, but yeah, to make sure that whatever thing we want to do regarding that and it's effective. No, a woman moment in crew. They shouldn't dress in any uniform. They should just dress as a normal person. I offer car baby. Now you who say you are overcharging. They should deal with you. Now you need to 10 be the scapegoat. Pay in kind of argument because. Kumi wo hwe ni mo ahwe ni meka wo ka asam ye ejuama wo krom ni patro ka cho mo say if they overcharge ye be chi omo na ye chi omo e be ka wo
anya asem keto
nti e wo so umbetra anya ejuma no na onam krom Echo solve issues into Mr.
Yeah.
Work with them.
Me better Masiana. Willie, Neona person can be.
Minya character for minya banes. I say Ghana system at least you never be able to control your price system or Kumo.
Okay.
Because I say Ubia sorry or charge city usipe. Oh, because we a transportation system now it's a strategy of media ban say. So oba condition of Africa so neighbor. Obefa no short. Obefa from Bia Kaswa to SCC. Oh, obo short. Unu condition no aje be 30 cities 25 cities. Oh, these things near a system that controls those things now. It creates a whole lot of things in the system. It's independent. I so spend 5 cities, 6 cities to get to Kanishi. And I say 8 cities. When you know I spend about 30 cities to get to Kanishi. And one, the other thing is say cars no sign content because or short or loady. Oh, in the time I saw the draw mono. I said delay time baby. Was I do skakesi? And both and Uber. I think say your system need something to control system to control set things in the system. Even a normal tone will just cry another problem. And when it comes to rice
and
maize,
yes, I festive season.
It is serious. And your crowd. You are so Udna one storm now with rice boa. The next store Bocono. Either say the 5 CD and answer 10 CD at also. The next store Bocono, there is another 5 CDs, 10 CDs.
And then the window shopping the way before. Window shopping the way.
Which shouldn't be so. At least if you have a system, say rice bag, 30 CDs.
It should be 30 everywhere.
Baby, our Kobia should be 30 CDs. Oh, say maize, bottle, 1,500. Baby, our Kobia should be 1,500. Then so Bokoha 1,750. Obakoha 1,550. Harding. Oh, and Mama. Me fancy bia obi oje bosumi akatua emwa because at the end of the day we expenses are buy adu be kromo no unu kromo no scanner adu be ko na beto neoma half the ohihye na neoma half na betimi ato kumi system no enoma bibire koso we live fi kumi o kasa ye juma ni so say debitio this thing say even say wo kasa because of enoma way ukwa boso kan a uso be effective in a way engine e ton ni bia 30,000. Oboku baby no they do 35,000. You do understand? Esi enya control system. Say aboso kan omu control system or where engineer say
na control system no why na into hanamo.
Oh, a system that we have to put in place.
Yeah.
No, yeah, omamba. It has come to a time
yes,
yeah, mine.
GPRTU will do everything and
Nania metese say na ya te fuel sunti driver for anti omuye so say man tete ko si sen
mame I dey about this fuel thing
you will see enya sa we no control system no say wa anya measures a ebe Gavin we nyina na ana say
na me say no ye na yen timamufo na wo hwe kwan say
yen timamufo no kwa ye wo fe ni say delegate ye wo mu sisi mia what you say ekroma hemfa for na hemra enye ya no kase ya na mo de ko parliament ko hemra
there are some ministries to be omunya adwuma there are certain ministries in this Ghana here they are not very effective. Seriously. Oh, near my kind. As a ministry, be as you. And you'll be a Juma 247. The Juma or sorry, a Saturday call Juma so no. So if you have to come back on radio to come and talk about these things again, at the end of the day, a Juma that a honor a cosa. Oh, I say Yanka say, yeah, you hold you accountable. Because at the end of the day, Kumi. Untimi nko kromu nko to adiwe 5 cities we move it to the next stop at 10 cities full asema okay the last time me come am bana driver me tin come esi me hwe full price o say say I had 12 point something the next time I move in no so ye 13 I was like no say sanity obi a wo de oton no even full e ifo ni na o the way o mo sit on full How? This is the problem in our system. We should have a control price. Say full say 11 cedi. Maybe
everywhere
11
cedis. Everywhere should be 11
You can't deduct 1 cedi out of it. It's 11 cedis. It is any part or did you can no planning for full wall. Or you say me to full wall. Say ya. Say the bit media mami. Kumi anya say kromo ha. Amafo bu here fa so sa because obi control here okromo.
Yo, will you hear that say?
I don't know why me of all people is so contributing to this. I have a ball suspect.
Hey, assemble
na kumi ko na
O person men can dey.
What's other matters?
There you
Kasa good microphone. Men can dey. O person men can dey.
or person contribute.
Yes, contribute to the thing because I quite say the way Jamai. Other matters and one no din. But I quite. The last time we were saying he was at the defense of the right mates.
And you may be over. O costro buffer, motor radio, so now can sing.
Ebeko baby. When the voices come together.
But Kumi, the fact that Yejan is an interest was a Yenjain is no, it's high time.
Meba already no. Or say ma a driver for and to omo first so.
Yes.
Good. Yeah, can you say no? Ebi abino mi no na ye ni sikentina. Ye be kwa kofo tro na eja ye kon lorry fe ho. Obi wo ha no ofa dropping fa uba ni ade.
Kumi.
Baby you no be fa dropping de be ko betu 50 Ghana no ko fa yi a ebi na 5 cedis.
Kumi.
Enti ye woni ma bi a oye ne dan a anye ye because ye nyina ya pene say ye 5 cedis no.
Kumi, ade ba kwa say o hye ne so ne say. Ene ba wi a wotini nti. So bi kon potholes ho a wo se na dwen nya adwuma. So bi si road asay a ba bi a wotini nti wo si enye emfa ho. A day will come and the power will change. After who the same person and they can't say found, you'll be complaining about street lights.
Why are there?
Kumi, who the same person, you'll be complaining about street lights. You'll be complaining about potholes na can. Oh, you'll be complaining about transportation first. Oh, the other can say, and fire who shouldn't be Ghanaians our attitude. Yeah. You know, you your system, you fix problems. But at the end of the day, some of them streets soon as light do now say and found one day our best will block you. No matter how we use you. Oh, could be Adeba could be Mama say, and you must say, you're 2 new maybe so and canoe, but you will do a 2 of account. Because, I never occupy air we are to say Kumi. Over down, we said, yeah, how, oh, yeah, you like a crowd, Hannah, I say, a 15 CD. What down, go 30 CD. So, my idea make it.
One can hear, like me.
Well, you may also see myself also had a
like Cassette.
I have with it. Comedian.
I don't know where.
Maybe so. What we have to tell our cherished listeners is that tomorrow same time they should join us on Max FM 89.7 for the latest news updates.
I know pay your dash say one me who come out hodo aba be primo mem your dash. Why?
Yes, your dash.
So where we are now? So where you adwuma?
Me we you.
Aku afu. O kwa afu hu adwuma.
E me fu kwa. What's my guy say? Was some side hustle with. Enti me ko bo to bi. Enti me fie adwuma mu ha de a.
I didn't call you know, we go to mo. Kumi? Me say, Obi Botomo.
Same time this tomorrow.
Kumi? Emma de bro.
Why Botomo?
I had a casa some nana money with jet.
Why Botomo? Why
Botomo? It's radio for radio for
Aya sisi manager over be case dia ma obi wan botomu a
oh oso owia or call ayina me so obi botomu because
nanti obi america woni di ana
oze
obi america re no nisiko di bedidi
na mu fa musika nidi yes ye mo mama so wi
he
mu fa musika nidi
e no ge no sisi u pa o
Kumi omo so fa musika nidi
hey
and o ge no ma Enya, oga no.
Yes, you are going to send a text message to the whole radio.
Oh, send a text message, but that is some credit. I come and say, you can do this, you know, whoop ye.
What do you call?
Hey,
oh no, we did do bottom to the problem.
Never did bottom, now means we need you, baby.
I don't pay them, I say.
Welcome to Monday Morning. Max FM. Max FM. 89.7. Welcome to Monday Morning.
All right, I'm saying I'm creating a fair and come out catching. I am fan to us and farmer. Max Morning, you live on Max 89.7. Yankwana, Yane, Dr. Badankwa, Entertain Komo, or see where the ma Dr. Gas Group of Companies, and a pay Yane, Dr. Ba, Entertain and Komona, Dr. MY Steps, and I said, a quankit and kitty a befa. Yede ebe control and security, your mobile phone, so a toda, WhatsApp near hack. Toda Facebook wo ha bo so bi age afinsam church near maybe yenkwe na anopai doc emwe doc anopai mu ache
yo Mr. Kumi anopai de masum na de dikan no Dr. Gas Mobile the all four masters Emma IMAS Media Ghana for na hwefo ne na tiefo nyina yema obi akwaba eba fidikasie so enen so ya saba bihia mo amnim si Dr. Gas Mobile de juma ko bi aya kwadare phones games ne computer hon sem na no page sede ubisa me no nwa ko hia se yebehia na yase akwanya yebetoto ye niema ewe ye phone so na ye bambo ewo phone so no mo amuni se phone de ye di enwa se de enwa na eni aba betuma ɛna sama yɛ kwanya ma etimi de yɛ edi edwuma bebree yɛ control nti no sɛda okay je no na yɛtimi bɔ ma yɛ di control nneɛma bebree ebi mu de control musika sɛm ebi mu so di ɔmo nkɔmɔ ɛne nneɛma ɛho hia ebi wɔ kora na wo group bi mu na ɛnoa na mu nyinaa mo de share information ebi wɔ ha ɛkɔ abɔnten a ɛha adwen nti na times ebi mu so ɛhwɛ na ɛbambɔ na ɛwɔ yɛ kasa fidie no so ɛyɛ yɛ mobile phone no emu nyɛ den pɛ na ɔno nso so abɔ wura na waba bɛ fa saa information si na ɔde di enya ɛna mo amu nim sɛ ɛyɛ phone yi sɛ akɔkɔ yɛ sɛ no no ɛna ɛma yɛ identity because phone na represent o bibia o do phone na ɛyɛ nti sɛ obi a o ma ne kwan ana empo nipa bɔnifoɔ bi ɛnsaka otimi active sɛ de ɛwoa na o di dwuma no na aha adwene yie paa otimi ɛyɛ nneɛma bi a na ebi kora o nyɛ wadwen sɛ
obɛyɛ saa deɛ no ɛnna dɔ ka no pɛi wadaroma boa yɛ na yɛhwɛ kwan ɛbɛfa yɛde bɛbɔ saa nneɛma no nyinaa ho ban sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a obi ɛngye yɛn WhatsApp anaa yɛn Facebook ɛmmɔ so
me pa choyo ɛdeɛ deɛ di kan no phone na ankasa na ɛwɔ hɔ no sɛ memfa sɛ wo use no ɛwɔ sɛ wotumi make sure sɛ wobɛbɔ ho ban wobɛkɔ settings na wa create adeɛ bi a ɛfɛ ne password na ɔtena bi no sɛ phone kɔka obi nsa phone ankasa no wontumi koraa nwura mu koraa mpo ɛna mpo wakɔ hu nneɛma ɛwɔ so na waka sɛ bi a ɔba bɛ control nneɛma na ɛwɔ so no nti no usually no akɔ baabi a yɛ set password na ɛyɛ good sɛ wode password a emu yɛ den usually with the numbers ne letters ne characters ɛno na usually obi ntimi ɛngɛse na ontimi mbie phone no senke sɛ ɔkyena bi akɔkɔdi obi nsɛm a ɛna ɛno nso n'ano nti na ɔsɛ ɔkɔ set automatic lock after some period of time wahwɛ time bi a ɔmfa phone ne ndi dwuma biara na ɛno a bɛlɔko na bisa sɛ bɔ password na ansa na watumi awura phone nim ebi wɔ nso so a phone bi wɔ biometrics bibi te sɛ odu fingerprint esan sɛ fingerprint no usually unique to every person nti no wobɛsɛte fingerprint ebi wɔ nso a face ID now they are two phone so ɛna phone nso ebi wɔ ɛma wɔ penya na otumi control no wabra phone kura ni wonchen nti we make sure the ones our phone was setting nyina bibi to say find my iPhone bibi to say bia ebema wakpenya ma wati ma popa ne ma ewo so ana wati ma control ne ma ni bi was phone no eni wonchen enu nti no ehun be say nya se time bia no ya applications na da bia me ka se edidi edwuma wo phone so the application no time bia we make sure say we update your applications because any update bia application no o train wa right source nko a Play Store na App Store na ba bia o trust no time bia the more na we update no the more na ono so ma security features we betini I use application na obia suntimi Emma Bevencha Komu Kwankwo Sheniema Oye. Emma usually so no applications nibi wa involve accounts. It is a sika ne 1 or 2 niema be sensitive involve accounts. In the account so no Emma wakwenya Emma ultimate the niema bi login udine o password and so say the account down no with the password and also air strong ever to so and also income and so no time behind I was said phone who review what applications no the permissions application bia ewo permissions a o the phone be man say the application we no ma ontime hwe o location application we no ma enyusu camera ebi a microphone ebi a o contact usually no betimi that to say ebi application enyusu sa na ma we what I use to application no now fa go to say always ebi pa o use application pa no close so na that's who you never be wo phone so na the information echo out and aside and also no say never be also na who you never be other more connected to the outside to say to say bluetooth who you na was too close no maybe a wi-fi who you na was too close no and a wi-fi be also na e pa and media amount okay and media amount
Doka no pay bedo ase ne omre ne wadaje yeda ase fa na manager ye na fei enkomo bia e ma chen we no e ya na ya frɛ na ya je e wa so ye
yo me pacho my number is 0555296237.
Yeah.
Let me repeat China. Okay.
0555 296 237 yo.
37.
Doka no pay yeda ase se fra waje so yeda ase pa.
Me pacho.
Yene Dr. Badankwa and Atwitwen komo no. Doka no pay das. Yenku enimu na afi yenko hwe ne ma hodo ana no pay busuafo de abadwaso yento bi enkoma busuafo wo fie na masumdwe emra fie na aya na eba ne senso na sika ene ye de bibia sika nyina nso de mega cash lucky box o madaro ma o maso ye ena sika nyina egu anopa ya me na okasa yi enti bomode ya se o musika no bedi bi ekwa menso yesi emfa ho ne network bi a wo so bomode ya so be fa phone wa dial *426 *8# *426 *8# na o sende ya obehu number 1 Max TV, number 2 Max Radio shene so say o dial *426 *8# na wa hu ni American ya sign sha biom select number 2 Max Radio eno na wutie ni sese ya me na okasa yi eno achi wi a boxes makomako nsia beba 1 to 6 o number wo mugidie pass number we de me lucky number me dwumadie bia me di bia me fasa number we etade luck hebreme etade ska breme no fasa number no boxes makomako nsia na obehuna no mu na ska no wo enti bomodi aso be fa ne sika no kese wo mu 5 Ghana cedis ni akiri fato so na twen umumu prompt ne ba wabo pin no ubedi sika na ni gese ba omu ne se we no twa na so animpa wo ho kwan se unwini points ahodo pi a kire se medafia da bia the beautiful green no ne abusuafo ne tena se o Mass TV anwumre no numa wo ho ne afro yesi agro na udie no o points akosro pa ntibra baji 2000 Ghana cedis baji mobile phones ahodo na nia wandi hwe kora na yesi woje 500 Ghana na ji t-shirt we ene mega cash ya chede pi nti bomori ya se odo ho bajim na disika na ebebua opi yankwa ni me na fei ya ka ne fanto aso
ayo kumiye kwaya nimdia ene na ye disika no na ye disika aguye botom asesa ye tibia na wo sesa wo tibia nso so no na enya wo ntade hyemu nko a mobile phone nikita wo must buy for sesa no esan say mobile phone a ekita wo na ene ekire eye bra wo bo anase ekire guy a wo ye wo so age nko ade a kwaje wo Infinite Hot 50 ya anka na na ye 1700 as see ya to see hu 1450 Ghana cedis sanso na Infinite Hot 50 Pro Plus and also so first na 2240 say 1199 Infinite Smart 9 HD and also so say yateswa 930 Ghana cedis enya mobile phone kwa refrigerator wo ho AC and a 50-inch TV utonso a yebesai ama wo free kettle ya promo yes say slash to save na che say de eti asese so na fala must buy for say sa niema we anase sa appliances we nyina ne gadget we nyina no ukopie mu e wo no maso ye ba bia wa Ghana hafa na ba bia nkwade a ubenya bi ato ama won so ho ato ye papa endi mega cash sika emphasika ni wanum bopini must buy e wo Madina Zongo Junction Tema Community 1 Junction Mall ena afen so circle VVIP sanso ena yesa wo Telecel opposite hono model rise so kwa e hono ye wo 6 shop wo hono mo a La Paz so Saturn building ye wo ho Kasua Takradi station eno so ye wo ho da kuman wonom e wo ha chese ye ne Mass TV Mass FM ena wo dan kro no amu bia we nyina se wo men hono mo a wo de frɛ wo mo e wo 054401955 ana 0594091122 se kwaba ne se wo de wo pe eye abefun tinten video tu no ahwehwe de wo pa eye www.massbuy.com.gh massbuy say bomodia na be shope na won so oniama entum enkoye ma menua
ane na yegina massbuy de yenkoso engina ho na yen promotion ba konso koso a manfo de omo haji mu pa ya to ni din buy 2 for less na nyinyina ne se yese bomode abra be piem ya so ye na to ne mama komakomienu na yente so emfama wo eno ena ya to ni din buy 2 for less unim dada to ne ma ne mienu se na ya ne bo na kwanim na so must buy say ye pawasem ye ne gi se na wo ne ye di dwuma ne ho ya no mo de o krom na so da bia da wo hia home appliances bia obomode ase wo be top papa no e must buy sanyansa ninti yese wa yade bomode abra be piem ya so ye mia wani to ne mama komakomienu na yente so emfa ma wo eno ene ya to no din buy 2 for less to mienu na yente so enti eno so yen promotions ahodo ekoso enti bomode ase ba bia obehu must buy yen showroom bia no bora ho na bisa ho asem se buy 2 for less promotion no so ho asem atesan eno enti ena maba enchechemu bi e che ne amede ama we bomode aso be frɛ 0544 019552 0544 019552 emra so ye fa yen street adwumade ne nto aso emfa ma na ye fa nkomo ne ntudwa iwi ana afei ye twen ho aba ye koba na ya ma ho kwan na waba mu ena yen komo no tie na tie niye empempi na ye na ye ta hu abusuafo anya ho kwan akwa abrochire eya na ye ta hu abusuafo a anya ho kwan afi kro keto mu abetrankran ba ni se ya bom homoden e won kran kwa abrochire bom homoden se ya na ya na abrochire no ne ko ene wo Ghana ba nti se ya na opese wonye njapade ahodo a agise bia wo de akire gya obi esani sika na mabusuafo bi esani sika na mahunua impo sidan ni wi a yese ye onkrofo bi a ye from hweso mame na chese wagya dan no e de amomo asase bia ne nema ahodo pi no wagya e de amomo eba nse ya ye kirem se ebe wie na chese nipa na o hwa asase ne so e de ama no ebe wie na chese waje bibia eden aboso impo meba impo ye chese eya na ebinum etimide omo asase wura anaso omo fiewura no ekwaduro so Eya ye kyeremu nso se ebi nso kura nso de omutimi de omasase ne omodan na ma hweso ma mefuo ibi ebe wiase na omoyira fi o wofa wodan no se o me dan be na wo ka ho ase o wodan ya wasi wo he ya o men kai dan bia o sa kyese obegba akiri na kyese nipa na yeja asase na nase yeja dan na ma no wa koji nipa na adwen afi so kura eno nkoda nche ne ye onkrofo bi nso a obesane o musika ne pepepe o wofa wodan ne meguso o wofa asase no manya bi o mato kura ma kyese o ma hyase yeso adwuma kura obeba na kyese krana kapre hwe na ho obeba na hwe na ho ene ye pese ni nkomo ye bisa se bi atoda obi di sika fa so pense ye bibisa ama no ekosi sen wode wani ahu bi da ene ye pese ye nsua mu ade ye won kran ye tukwan kwa burochire na tebea bi nti ye ntimi nko ye nkromu enkokro ketwa mu enko ye adwuma a ye de sika esane amanfo se gi to asase mame sidan mame na fe be wiase na akwa bibia ho no ekwan menso na ekwan papa wose saade we yenye obi aye bi ma wahu ekosi san ye kyerem se hwe so mamefo no wani beba so dan oda bonte no dadan mu yenkomra yentwe homra na enkomo yensusu ho na yeni ho nkomo ye ba sese ya
Mensa kamekao.
Now what so dear?
Hey, Charlie, what's it? Imagine buying your favorite gadget and driving home a sleek saloon car.
Oh yes, with Max Buys You Shop You Drive promo, every purchase brings you closer to amazing prizes.
Just shop any products from Max Buy between 7th November to 31st December
and stand a chance to win a sleek saloon car, TVs, smartphones, and more. Your next buy could make you a winner.
So what are you waiting for? Shop now and let's make your dream drivable with Max Buy.
Max Buy. You shop, you drive.
For further enquiries, call Max Buy on 054 401 9552. Terms and conditions apply. Approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Calling on all alumni. Join us every Saturday at 9 a.m. on School Connect, the ultimate platform to reconnect with your alma mater and share your founder's memory.
Let us spread great Okwasi.
Share your story.
We are the only and first college in Ghana.
The only secondary school administration board with a helipad.
It's Tema Secondary School.
Wako school near you, you have to go to Presec to be shaped.
Revisit your school days and reminisce about your time with friends and teachers. Showcase your school ongoing and upcoming projects.
Kumi kasa eye baako pe edino eye baako pe menkensne kwasi ada untumi fa do adanso untumi fa bladanso kumi ututuka ututudam utututam wajibam watufie watubum watutodan obaje bam ubetubam ubetukam kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Maji tina me dane di wunji di misibisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi febe dia aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM kosua fili masaya se.
Welcome to Monday Morning. Max FM. Max FM.
89.7.
All right, I'm saying I'm Akwaba. Max Morning Dew live on Max 89.7. Yanku anywhere. Na ya fire studio adwumadi na to aso emfa ma wo. Daddy Lumba. Ah. Enyum we asin komo esuma. Yo. All right, I'm saying yanku anim na yam fire studio adwumadi na to aso emfa ma wo. Na enan ye di nkomo na ye bisa yenim se wode wani ahu bi da so bi so e de misika fa so da so bi so na ye obi da de a experience ne tesen o se ni sika de akofie yemfanye we bewie na krana obi so di bi asi so experience ne tesen o fa o papa bi a ogya ne dan e ma hweso ma mefu ebi ekwame no mo de papa fa so wankasa so de na e de fa so ye na nkomo ye di ni sei na ye suamu ade se na kina bi o se ni ska kofia na u gya wa japade bi ama obi so nhwe so mawa obehu kwan a sa na moyi obetu the beautiful green akwa babiom
ejo so menu abema
enkomo ye so ati bi da.
Oh, mati bi krada mahu bi krada obese my experience bi krada ai me maame ba ko a owo akwantu mu odisika ma one guy bia na wafa guy ne say eye ne spiritual father enti bibia na odisi eye boy ne so ema boy no kra ka chere say omoye portrait ti portrait ni mo no ami di sika ibaye osisi sika na mi say ashasi on the 200 million e baye edi be 3 years ama me ne baye portrait o edi adio hrabasa ba kokore ni hodo mo enti edididi mu na cheso mo kan asem ni netwa aye ba maame no me maame no oniba okwa brochire ntem okwa no nsuso no adwuma na ewo ni tirimu a nteto na akra oniba na nsebu mu hon so oka chem say boy no ka say okoto land bi enti o ma boy ni sika me ni akiri ma no ewen ha ho land o hwan yo sika o ebi ni ho nti afei na yesen atua sika esan de ato land ne foforo kra enche mesa kwa kodi akiri
ena no ba ku bi amete yese omo ya na amanfuja omo dan edema omo
so ma mefo no
yese ebitimi kwa aduro so
ene bebere me mate ne mpene nsem krada
o na we aduro so ko bende wo mimu a me de me dan masase de ama se wo da mu anase me ma ba bi ada no
Christ for all each one for himself
sadan metie me se me yam hye me
ka so ha ya broadcaster na enya kwasa kwanse ne wo madam fu biti bi mu sa afie wura no wo ma besi ne nipa no hwe so ma me no madam fu ne bankran over 20 years ni se afie ho no ma na ote fie wura ne si Ghana korada nipa no hwe so ma me no onu ana waje bosumi bia waje afi bia waje yi no
on si dan so ye
o landlord she anya papa enko ndi esida
yo yenkwa na yentie ne abusuafo so ewo ka ewo fie enti abusuan abramu na enkomo ya yedi woni yenche enkomo yi 0551598321 and as 0550055522 numbers ni biom 0551598321 and as 0550055522 but you when ye
morning
yes sir
what are medi TV electric
o say
medi
okay yo ya tienti yo
Arade fana basa entumoso mekia bojuma fo amoni wo nyina ene adwumawura enam sumitumi nye bi eka esia de yi Arade mpejamo adonanti. Amen.
Amen.
Open kasi. Brand na only this jona only dim komo kakre. Am presa ka. Maybe no mobile phone number number to me afre no. Nan ka sa nkomo na brand dim komo na e ya bede pa. O ti ube ko filling station bi. Fani a surprise obi abunu. A surprise obi abunu. Emra nye juma wa hana. Ye won krofo bi wo man ma. Emra dinu. Na emra ndi ebi. That day we one day send me by radio. Buma me akonya me by radio so akameka sapa.
Yate ona manu wa hanti no ye be fro. Why?
Mate.
Yo, yenkomo yenkoso yenti o.
Obeni kase. Dan sam we die. Ayade a eta ekosu bebre. Enye se ekosu. Ekosu pa. Me na bebi a me wono. For money next day. And na for money bet now. Uti nyo ma for money yana. Enye is o bia ye di adwuma ma o. Ana osi bet na obi. Bet na obi. Tise o to make can you make na me say fruga na me bona amanye se. See the former ekage. Wunti on ye. Only me say asema mi ken. Mami fa asema serious. Mami be yari. Serious. Atu na mami to me sorry. Mami yari be 1 month later. Yari a mami ni yari pepe. Anu na form anu si yari. Because unkofo bi o ha udu dan ma no. Udu to on hwefie won ma. The job e fa no. Nyame ambo wa won sa enkesie ne da. It me sre me tu omo yesa no me tu omo fu to mo njai.
Yo.
Emwa.
Yo.
Emwa.
All right. Yo, minia anapa yeda se ene wafutu yeda se pa 0551598321 and na say 0550055522 mpacho hwan yo.
Kome mechiawo.
Majo so. Honorable di chese na no pese bia boko.
Nyame adom boko na won so e.
Yehu adom ho ye pa honorable. Honorable no pay enti o.
Yo mechia obapa green ene Irene.
Yo.
Kumi asema muri abetu je die. Asem kase o. Asem kase. De di kan minim obi baby a me won minim obi a the first born aya banju ba ko pension. Fasuma bi buso no to da so te wo ma papa na wu ama. Edipa ko de da asase na de fie no ma so won fasuma no so wu. Ama si aka mma enso menya hwe ka so mo ka se ejapade bi o baby. Omo da so ti to ho wa be wo ne ma no wa ma the first born ko pension. Wa ya banju ma ko pension wa ma 60 years. Akọ pension. Eji ni pension pay papa na ga se wu enso omo da so ti fie o. Second the back trust there na we am no ka say minimum obi a or Germany o sit down wo mountains me na me ye ni dan ho bia me ni na busia for the day am tin na busia for etibem say ban say bia bibi trust ni bibia nko betim dia form so but when you die wo mu to the extent say bibi o ye bia me no ma me me na me no ka say na japa die bia e som bo hye me dem a e da almost 1 year ni but okay ntino no de ban say obi obetimi manya obusuan ni back on nye mausa obi o mewun mo betimi ayama wa obe feel okay then they hope
yo all right minia yada se tina chese enya bre nyina na ya na e wo se yenka so we de obusuan ni we de me ofa se ntino o chim se toda obi kura wa bontin betimi aye ni ye kura chen obusuan ni hello why Hello.
Hello.
Why?
Ajabaya odi.
Ajabaya.
Yes.
I no pay to say.
Na me adom.
You.
Swear.
You who are Dominia, you here pa.
Na me ase.
Ami, yenti we nkomo yi.
Nia me beto so ne na me ka bie. Onum se hwabe so ma me ne se ne amo ka no. Obu on mo a oni abusua. So ho enya se bi oni abusua oni obi a ode ne dan gya no ana se bi nto otimi de man adam fo bi. No bi ani pa no abotire. O ma abusua ni bia ante se bia masi dan amasi masi no o hweso ma me nti o kya bi me ni ho a mo nkonkwate da bi. Bonza no oshabroche wa nipa na te wa ntu abusua ni kura nimu mpo se ebi omo o dan bi wo baabi nti owu a no afa eno so etaisi sa de ne pa sa de ne etaisi pa ni amebeto so ametini aka no
yo adwabaya na pa yeda se 0551598321 afi na do afide na to ye di nkomo e de afa say bia wotikro kase mu ese ni sika de ma onua bi je fa ye japade ma me fa todan ma me to asase ma me afi obekọ na chese kra na ya chemu nso se obi nso e wa buruchire wasidan wajade ama obi hweso ma me be yi ase na chese nipa na yede dan na ma ne so ndem no akochinchim na adwen kra na yira fi se wasidan kra de ama obi ye bisa se wa hu bi da ebi ato da experience ne tesen na ekwan be na ekwan pa anamon we wasa yetu mpacho hwan ne
Atanio
atama stem tesen
oh tama bako bi e ko fine
yehu adom yeso ye ho ye pa mini ayentie we
apato ma me ka bo ba ko we di metre mo mo se ye ho no apolonia tadeka no se motofo no ma so ejiji amanfo phone to pa anti me se mo mon ka ka sa ma e wai
yo ya
and so sa be pa obi da pa ma jini fo ne ba di ni ha mo de jani mame ko ma se me so da ba se o se dari na mo kan je happy pa me ma ga sa yo fa se ni abako ba ye bi ono okọ UK nti ototo cars na na odi ma obi se obi nso nhwe so na wa mbo abusuane wa mbo bia amane se o yes ade no we da ko yo no ma na waba oba no oba ta se ne car na ajo da amanfo anhwe so ye na bi se ne na amanfo ade na oba se ni nanu mo ho no na wa mfa ma ni nanu bia asemo tuma me se ni nanu de on trust bia so ni me se obi hu se o yes ade na oboku na na so ba ma na adwen emefie bie na mo bi fufuru mo atrase no oba no ne cars o de ba ni bia ba ka ba kukwampo eni ho no pa ko na afa nyina ti sa de ne de ade e ho pa do ho no ma eboa ti se de mo ka no e dance no ko bi wo eboa no obi wo se emboa no ti me sa ade am se kaka me so meka ne de ma se
yo atamak se wotema yeda se ene wadwenkyira wo de aboa yenjumadi yeda se pa 0551598321 0550055522 0551598321 hello
good morning
yes sir
Radin Yankupon Shamo
Onshira so
amen me dey the osmafo no kwafo me hwe na free Yankupon asemu ya mi na nim kure ni ewiase na ewo no bibia timi tu at any part anytime e wo mte nipa bi nya de nanso obi ho no de na de jawa bibi betimi atia nipa na ye ne hwe na no kure mu ni se ye papa ye mu ewo mu dia ana ye mu abrabopa because ubetime Edward ye obi ebia wo abrabokla wo boy no enso nyame ani osenkafo so 226 no so say with me ema boaboa niema ano owie wa jama do ye eno ebi wo ho enti se ye bo abrabopa ne ye kwen ye nam so ya obi ntime ni ade influence we say Proverbs chapter 10 verse number 3 also ma ekom eni oteni ni ka enti ehia obi onam nyame akwan so pepepe da no nya asem wonya ahotira na so how enti se bibia betmeti sisi ya hwe ya blabo ya obi ntimi ni ade influence ya kuma muti ne ya blabo te ade muti ya obi no betima say sisi wo nyina ya ene obi betima say o ene bi won so a e incident na asie ebi nipa kon ko nipa papa ene bi nipa no accident ene obi kan bit my bate one fat, one more beer, one man a bush near who accident missy, ya yet me to be a new bin a yen way, who would me bump for free will be a bit messy. And you know, and she also near Moya Brabo, near Boya Brabo, you beat me for a Japan that. The ready saying,
Yo, yes, so yeah, say the beautiful green as some my in your bema cane. Odin Hussein.
Near one in the SSC or Bacoy. Oh, see a Moya Brabo and a bass will be to me for your Japadi. And yet, a Brabon in the 1 year am moving to me for Japadi. One way the other, no, Bessie, one of my Jamum. Whether I say yenya me be what I say, but who by said the bay at least. Obin to me and for won't baby, natural uncle dear wo breno. Obin to me a matcha swaba much as a wound dear any day. Obe bregu. It's one way the other, no, a year any da horns so ye. Na
Janus and your friend Hunjawing.
And I make a una mafa who just say ye yame kwansu, say ye then you born home by. Say we are seeing 2 forces. Ati ase ye wo bronsam kwan na ewo nyame kwan de afin se wo gidie wo me bebo awo no na do ho agya
tu wo do ho agya hwan
be dem ho agya wo
me
ai
enso bi aye wo benya wo
o se
enso bi aye wo benya wo
obi aye me benya me wo hu ni pa kro metra yin hwe
Hello.
Good morning.
Yes sir.
Family.
Many aboko.
Ya me ado. Mamempra awo kakra awde di obi family aba. Awo kakra mamempra maje se. Wa ye di ayeni be hye tano. Wo no be hye se wo popo wa bra boy ju. Tinya boni enye de emba uti. Awo nya boni entia. Ni papa na odi ade no esen ehye wo nta. Papa bo na obo ni yi. Tede uka unim credit be no credit. Uyu aye uyu. Yes aye yes. Wo na obo hye ye se ade na edi hye wo nta no. Obo fa akwa paso. Wo kwa betini. A wo ntia a obo yesu. Obo direct. The papa ni ba oh papa ana mame wo ya odi ase me sano eni o hwe na won tumi a oh papa nana efie na na sasi na odi se me sano ma hwesu sisi me pese me ye de me ko baby fufro into betumi adaje wani ba obi o wa wan ya ni sa me ajinboni abani trim on pese obetu enti ajimponi yede e paniki uje dia obe plani ne mafufuru ayede afon wan sheni ya ono no beji atu sem
yo kwami anopa yeso yeda se pa yemfa 2 course enka hona yemfa ofredwumadie no Emra na ye 0551 598321 and that's 055 0055 522 0551 598321 and that's 055 0055 522 afeda odo afede na to ayemu akwa ba ye di nkomo hwesoma me wasi dan ato asase de agya o experience e wo ho tesen e kyerem so obi kura tibi sidan ne ama na yura fisi wasi dan ye ba yiri o na chese green e be papa se mu sidan ya mo be ka kyerem abusuafo
oh it depends. So bo hono mo no abusuan ankasa kura na odam no wonyi bobia ni enti no wonyi wobia ni no bibia no be trigger ne say onka bibi nkyere na abusuafo so mi wajapade we wo ha me wo bibi say wo ha what ase because ne nyina na lack of trust ye woma ye mpempini ya ne abusua ya ne ye de saa ne ma na sha abontenso fo nsa no en abontentu ni betimi aye ofie ni betimi de adim what ase so wa anya ni papa enipa mienu ya yeke bia betimi de adu
ena no fiada se Yankoma idea na mo see you here for abusu.
Aha, if you ensure fie. Yeah. Zanet ye. Ye hia ni so benya ni papa. Na wan kasa no se de bebra ne kan ya me de bi ka ho no. Wan kasa no na mafa wo huja.
Eh na fa huja wani abre ho pa.
Na wan fa hunya. Wi ase na ho kwa. Wi ase na ho kwa. Fa huja. Fa huja pa.
Jubetimi ama baby ya mede me ho bekwa kwaja.
Me de Nyankopon na mede me ho agya no. Nyankopon na mede me ho agya no. Enti no se wo gidie wo nyame mu dia wo so wetim de ho agya no ni gidie susu na se baby ya gidie kire wo no ene wo de wani a kire wo.
Ene na busua me de ofra dwumade ne besi ya na me ne menua ba the beautiful green no. Me di na chi odimi kwaja baby aba. Yakoba ebeto aso.
Yakoba ne to aso.
Yadimi kwaja baby aba wate. Ti obekwa nso anu abeka ho na yakọ. Ope baby di ho akwaja nso.
Welcome to Monday morning.
Yen fast dama mega cash lucky boss o madaro ma mo boan sika fa mu ma ye de yen street value ma de na bre o mega cash lucky box o ma boan sika fa mu o si en kan cho say star 426 star 8 hash network bi awo so select number 2 boxes beba 1 to 6 select your lucky number 5 Ghana cedis ni achi fato so sika bi e be fi meba na ye o dia.
Bueno, lumbe mi kwa masemu. Ni obwa fonti, dia rewa wa kwantio. Makodro bi maisio, kwantu fo ya bro. Oje madidi amo, sumi ya hidamwa. Sasa mpotu mia, okama fo wanio. So dia mwana pa mi bombra so mi mwano. Jimi gayeni. Sierra me on of my seal. Oh, well. Oh, yeah, can't a jaya boa. Oh, yeah, can't you. Oh, yeah, can't a rajake. Oh, yeah, can't you. Oh,
Max FM 89.7.
All right, I'm saying I'm queer na fe en koma hodo aka change na ye mfa nto aso emfa ema before that no calculator finance Odip
let's tune from Ghana, original Boga High Life. Eric Spate, you know, with his loyalty and pleasure.
Calculator, Aquanqua, Enkoma, your general manager, the boss Ricky.
I have my money in my pocket.
Max FM 89.7.
Your friend of calculator, the new song of the Abba, Aquanqua. Young queen went out for Yentin Como and Fio. Oh, Obuakra. I am a all right, I'm sure you're quitting now. Yene Ebenezer Ato, Dr. Ebenezer Ato, and Cheche and Como. And none of pay Dr. Ebeboy, Ebra Yojade, ye di and Jumadi be away in kitchen. Na Ijashika Kraba na say. Insua ehia na asade bi ehwe agu ye honamani no putupuru amunumu ho ano ede na wose ya na yeye aya na eba ni se ya ye maamenom oh fansu enyungu so ko hwe fridge nim so benya blog afato so and ye ne nsa no ba bia ahuhuru na ase ba bia awro no na ye de blog ato so na ye se eno na ye first aider yede ebo ho ban ansa na de bia yede aduro be so anase bia ansa na yede be call hospital cry yede na call Dr. Ebenezer Ato ewa hamane so yene no twetwe nkomo ne yabisa ne se eba ne se putupuru a se ye ade bia ehye na agu yen so eja bi na ahye umuka se ye honam no akwa bibia ho a ede ne kwanya putupuru amunum ho a yebetimi afa na yede aso ano blog na ya na ye maame no de to so no eye no a na ye nkoso na ye nye Dr. no pay mu achen ye mu akwa bed ba Max FM ye gidi pasa no pay bibia da din de
anyame adom bibia ye fine paso musomo
Yeho adom yeso ye ho ye pa Dr. no pay de ye fra wa wadaroma ye pese o mboa yen ekwanya ye befa so a ye be manage ebere a ye dwumadi a ye di o mukase ade ehye ehwe agu ye so eja ahye na ye honam na ni akwa bibia ho putupuru amuru ho ano ye nye den
okay so mecha motifo nyina pacho anope die am say onime nyina ye wo one position mental telepathy because anope menya incident the same benz for me see my ya manager ye na kwan so ko ejuma
oh kafra
the idea say benz no ye wo degrees of benz ye wo first degree second degree third degree na sen ka the fourth degree abeka and your skin layers and ye wo benz bia ye treaty wo fie benz bi so I was say ko hospital ko treat oh and ye discuss ye to me treaty wo fie no minor benz ye friend minor first degree
And the first degree burns no, it happened to first layer of the skin. Your friend no, first layer of the skin, your friend epidermis. And the na a share a first degree burn no. Na won't say bibi sure we unsa free at the end who cry. I say iron na show. You won't say I just say still. It's a show no. Your friend the burning sensation. Of course, it's a show. Although when you will say free at the end, no, just at the end show. Meaning so I experience it with that. And your friend the burning sensation. And see, I no, sir, first degree or minor burns no. Yen pese e de block beka, yen pese e de milk beka, yen pese e de beka, junction valley beka. Ni nyina ya dia ye maami mu ne ye nnuanum mba BBC pe opese ode ye wo kitchen, ode nchini begu so, ode flour begu so. Ebo mu ka se ye adwuma de, but it's not the best. Ye pese e de kuli be no ye insuo ya. Enti on pese ode ice beto be no so because o skin no baby share a tender, because a tender, a soft. What the ice? One say wash one. What the ice to skins wash. She knew carbon say after a while ice not carry skin. Oh, and a crack. And see, oh, yeah, because skin I tender and one shot a bear ben wins. One shall not just skin no cry or not yet or ben worse. And see, empathy a bear side. Yenya in your cool water. A bimokasi yemfa. Room temperature water. But Ghana ha a room temperature water will be 5 9 so share. And see a per room temperature. One say auto in DSC would demono and one and your fridge me and your swa and your ship. And then the room temperature water.
Okay.
Now because of your situation, no, you better say a bimo na di and too. In other jurisdictions, Rebecca say, Abia Bill or tap na found Sasha say. But dear making Ghana ha ubia now don't Sasha or tap as here. You find the cell they shall say 1 hour. I'm a tap negususa or bill of the Baube Chabes 200 cities bill. So to save us from that cost, no, you better say a better bowl of water, bucket of water. And she said, Menina in social no guswa, but the menace in Shunum. Send a medicine so. Men say burning sensation ibium. And yes, I made this 5 minutes. Me ya, I just see me and ya no be near. Ya per se DC ma say even 1 hour. Ya DC ma ye na ye 9 free in Shunuma. And what say better say at the end ibium. And no sani ye correct pen management. Ya nyane sa ebia open tamako juma to do sashe in Shunuma 10 minutes, 5 minutes we know where you say after a while. Within 30-45, we won't say now start to go pum blisters. And no chair will say one manager who bends knee, or mine not bends knee. Anything America say, fashion. From my experience, no, in social to me good mensa home. But the mensa bashin so monami de semen pahuada. Because in person me making sure say me cooling it down till maintain our burning sensation anymore. And in patrol. That's the right way of managing the managing we are pepe into my neat. Make us say neat, I'll bet to make the course I will bet to make into maybe INS. Not all the affair, they are best to one also. Because BBC that bends here or skin pulse no movie until it calls in for more germs. Until you could get an infection from that portion of the pen. Until a person of the BPA clean a cover and patch your man for Vaseline for home. Men fa milk in guso, men fa honey in fa. Just this simple management for minor pain, you are good to go. In fact, dear me work on no.
Eba ni say ya, enya fe na ye kwotete ahaban bia posa de munsu na beguso ahu.
In fact, they be. Oh, say, mami more another experience. There are situations where the bit to me see bend to me see what baby ebia unye issue immediately. People say, "Tete no more for attache." Na ye de guso, ye de fifa home. Meaning say we who say the any bida.
Ampa.
Amu de ma aha. One say mad no. It's always cool. One who attache aye sheda. And see because it's always cool no. They be a ye no. Enti na ye penny for no. Almost was a method. In perfume no more de mad ni na ye home just to cool it down. Yes, anwea no na ebesa ya ro just nsuo na aye moist na anwea na aye moist to cool the area down for you. And people also go with that method, especially when they don't have readily available water to cool the place down.
Doc, I near my question say I common now a few mupai ointment. A bunny say I need a ointment near the attarish to say bam, I don't swear.
Okay, and see, you're right, ointment you did bend, but most of the times it's not common. I no pay because of Mejuma no me wo Ben cream, me wo water based Ben cream, antiseptic. Me fear, me the manage Ben. But these things are not common to buy. Boom. Although it's in the pharmacy, people don't have any idea of it. And yet to say liver salt, and now ORS, and now para, obeko bifi obi ego. So to me, I no pay DC, you know. Me coolly place it down we no and I made the Ben cream ni bi afa ho and I made the gauze afa ho kama enti ye tika mu a ye ku ejuma no pay enti pay na ehihye no anya me na happen here anyway but they happen to me no otin nchen pay ni up and down. Ben cream no would also protect the skin from any kind of infection enti say oh Ben cream is the best only Ben cream and if it's a 10-degree Ben hospitals know better burn management systems items. And see, Oko Hospital now they have all these things available. They have the antiseptic what's the name? Creams. They have the burn gauze. They have the burn cream. They have the I want to recall the name, but never mind. They have all those systems to manage the burn better. And see now, medical and say a major burner. Major burn here, 2nd and 3rd degree and possibly 4th degree burn in Pacho, and then they are cooling it down pen Pacho pre hospital quinako. The fans if you say, oh, we at me to a radio to send me manage, yeah, very fine. In Pacho, manage you pay, una cancel hospital for further treatment.
Doc, I no pay ya fabidi, but number the entry good down. Yanko ya domina say, and quench you and so on from.
Okay, Madam Wase. Simpacho, company no, first aid training, CPR training, AED training, and open anything about health and safety. All of them. 0550 992 166. Pacho Mrs. Subium 0550 992 166. Open to me so we are internet no so www.careunit unit unit.org and careunit.org. Oko so and patch open information via fire home.
Dr. Ebenezer Ato yada se anopai ene wadisuade a ode ama yada se pa.
You have a nice and wonderful week throughout the week.
You yada se etiene Dr. Ebenezer Ato see you at the Care Unit First Aid Services and atwetwe nkomo no. Osemu ya na nsuose ehwegu mu nsa so a na modi ointment ye na enye na munyai embo amokra enti na yenhye no so na afi so mo so amotade blog ese o blog o se da bi enye blog na mom no unye nsu ye ho ne ho a enu mom ye chen se mo de blog ne betintim so no
kumie Minisani, okay, Minisani. Kufina face bana de mami.
Bombastic side eye.
Asanu mi yanka. One intimidating me asanu mi yanka. Ade. Na mi bisa mi ka me bisa dog say. Ase.
Mama dream here bi o.
Ade na ngasa kra no nse hyewa ya na wunya ben na ya na ho ne hyehyew. Na ye nsan fa nsuo emu ye dede nsan fa nguso. Enwe situation no.
O say no mum the best. Say yesu ano e ba mi say na ye ma me makofa blog.
Edi atoso. Ebi kra ye si was it Kiso Panades? Ye de samena. Etu nsuom na ya man ya woso na wana pu ahuro ni ye hwe aguso ana enkyene na ye de nkyene asra so No near home treatment. Yeah, mamma, no. But well, you got me who is idea no so I didn't sure, especially a second degree no. What me who said oh air rock was a young San Francisco who said I had by a deal.
One cousin sure.
Did my main canessa said a bay I Nanya dear him.
Or say room temperature one to say beer or demo normal a year what to insure dear siho. Ain't she fridge ma a da hono. Sana sa
one joke a cry,
sa you know.
Well.
Sana imujo ne eteno.
Na say nso so si ye fe ne say e bia corridor mu ana abontin so wunya sa we no. Sa room temperature we no. Ye koye no ne be hu ne be ye.
Yo, doka na pay ye da se ene wadisua dia oni ache ye da se pa.
E fe me marvel. E be put on your dancing shoes. Put on your niasa. Rabbit jump.
Welcome to Monday morning.
I say forget your problems, so my brother. I say forget your problems, so my sister. Hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem in 89, thinking go make 100. Timens to be a moment, yeah.
Your friend no a comavo, Boswe.
Oh, be bye. Brian, yes, so put on your dancing shoes. Brian, yes, rabbit jump. Yes, I'm the answer. I say forget your problems, so my brother. Brian, yes, forget your problems, so my sister. Hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem be 99, thinking go make 100. Brian, yes, so baby, I like yes, I'm the answer. I am swear.
Max FM. 89.7.
As long as you have life, don't try to cry. Go, go, gaga, go, go, baby.
Welcome to Monday morning. Max FM 89.7.
All right, I'm saying queer Max Morning, the one was Sugusu, and yeah, quite consistent upon on Crobabona, I saw the so. Now, yeah, the sports park, you made enough to us, where my friend Kumikasa. Now, young queer na and Koma Hodua Kenyan, Yemfa and Twaso, Emfa Emana, Tier. And I know Aquadaina, almost classroom, Anna. Aja. Ko school na ye ma break say obia nkona onkodidi tiane nkola yi edi agra na nkoda di America and the omdi America ko ra classroom ho na nyina ne say na double ena na tankoda no tinkoda no di America kwa classroom ho no ene nkoda yi hu dab na tietem lion omo di America kwa classroom ho no mo de lion teacher ni ne tin yemu brim na wie de ewie ya ye kira de wa hai lion na be de wa ha lion de jata wa hu
lion jata
ewie de lion na be den wa ha tie hwa no prie no bisa nkoda ne se na lion no wa hefa na nkoda ne se ene na ejina ho no os dabu no ena nkoda no e fre dabu no lion na teacher ne se panya mo na mo se lion no we ye fre no lion common crocodile you say lion
common there
crocodile you say lion.
Teacher ni na hasano kra no so no na say nkwala no.
Nkwala no mutie wu na teacher.
Teacher na ni tie wu. Teacher na ni tie wu.
Common crocodile. You say lion.
You say lion.
Yo na yene na nabafo be kasa na ye ka school ho asem die na enkoma wofo e. Ade ba kwa ya na ye mamenum entan ya de ne se obebo modia de wa secondary school no se also per secondary school na konkwa de odo beko na ye kanfo de ama wofo se be yi na sanke be papa bo modia se odi akoda ne ku school a wo be teacher ni ba kon na odi akoda na eden ahyensa en yanya hwe kura no na otwe bia na otwe mienu bia wa afre teacher ni no abisa se me ba no hote sen
ehia
kamia ye se awofo ni nya de nkoda no koto secondary school pe obehu ne ba na so bete ne ba ne nka
obafie
gise bi obafie so achiase enti we de kwa ma ye ma menom ene ye papa nim nyina se ye de nkoda no koto secondary school a ye momode asa nya hwe kwa ibenya teacher ni ba ko ne agene number ye ne na afa abusua menka ne saa na ye mfa ye nde hye no enja no euma ye mfa teacher ye mbisa se ye ba ne ho tesan na se nkoda yi ye de amuja teacher fompo eda asan enti awofo ntie na awofo ntie ni pa se ye momode yanse ye be ne sa eya na ade ba kon so eya na awofo etade ha omoma pa ye ebra akoda nyi kakra se bia akoda no na namo ne ni bibia kwa se jimifo no menim se na ya na ma awofo no efilifa tie ba ni se ya ana wajimi anchire nim ana ya hwe memetuwe onopa ja open open fatu table so na catch se kumi pen me pen at that table ne so kofa bra me hu da me ma mi o
nyo de no
anchire nim edin ama me de ma me ne
anchire ne se yenchire ma hu da
me hu da nti se ye be soma me pa se kwabna kofa di we bra
obekwa ba mi hu
kwa ba dabi se chance si we was me hohoro mu onkan ya menye
na wo botra
enti me wo hoyi saa ankyerɛ anim no wonse da so da metim me kaya besi nne enti etoda saa saa aboro saa se ade ne da hɔ kora na kyese ɛna ɛnyɛ sɛ bia ma hyɛ danso o part of me ade ne da hɔ kora oh kumi hwɛ table no so ade me hu nso ba bɛba bɛfa
odi asɛm aka kumi mi ntwa wa no akora bi na ye ne ne wo maame tifi ɛna akora na yesa na suma ye den o frɛ ne ba ko a wate pa
nso omua
nti no ntem fa so o waya sa ma sesi a wo frɛ na wontumi mfrɛ ne ba ko jiso friend be 3 times ansa na wa fiu waya sa ma na suma ye den ana mbisa sɛ nso efiri hinan
nti ono ne de na
aka ho de na aka ho
nti we ni na ye de ye futu di ama ye maame no sɛ ɛyɛ a ye nhwɛ sɛ na ye na enkoda no ye tie tie omo eto omudin ɛna uti ewu ɛna nkyerɛ nim ɛna wo de wagi besi ndɛ me tu e manye papa da ɛna me de
tade ati
manye papa da
sela bra onya papa
ho na me papa nka me papa mu ni me papa nka me papa mu na me de ready adwuma yi
o say
me papa mu na me de tie yi
Davi asem no constructive sentences ni ye. Obe papa nka o ye ready adwuma na ade te he. Ana o ye papa nka o te he.
Ne papa mu me tie ne papa mu ni.
Okay, wu ni peduane de o te ha nya ne papa mu a wo hu.
Na won so hwe ma me papa mu na me de tie.
David di me kire.
Enti ye be say ya wo fo de say yentie ni na ye kwa hama ne so na ye ne na ba afo ntwetwe nkomo ye bi say entertainment industry no enkomo ben na abusuafo atweoma no asi so menim sɛ wandi she concert no
nyasem ketwa
enye easy kura
anu adin
videos bi ebetoto dwa ma bi
we de pani be pa we de ase wani anso ka kire
ye twi amanfo oh
but when did we get here
ubisa me
serious o
obi atwere gu ni catch bisa ho ubisa kumi we say ho
but yeah dispensation we there serious o hey boy yeah
na ba fa na pay mo ache
bapeni me jomo so bapeni
bibi aboko
ya me adom na hwe mu ye pa
aja nyankopon adaro mane azan kakra ye so ye na mu sa
obende ba say awe you talk
to di no kura ho kire baba yo
o be kire
ampa na newo de no kura die be na ma
ono so asoso nana
ya oba
na unu e ka se wo be ka bia wesi abua ne fo no wo ka bia ka ho
kumi o family so I ma oba ne kasa bi why
sa wa ho
kasa na wo se agume
we
na se ma ya ibisa no
o adwuma wo nche o me de red pen atwa odi mu Nana ba for yentie we nkoba hodo aba be premium entertainment industry no fa ma ye na yenkwe anim
bapeni ya na mande ye chia ye fiefu nyina de am kasa mu ni wa ni wo sa so ye se ni wo mu ni ho bapeni ya se no be ni ekoso se wa kan when he say se no be when the shots ye be ye when he sing na no ho se ma basa da be si ya me aduma no ye we program ya bapeni na we da mafo be so kasa de a we dia ye die let's see achieve the year so be saka menim se mun ne ba ya yeso dia na bapeni ya de shots I'm say next year achieve the year the more we
okay
I'm for aja be we gisa you know say okay e dey be show so ni ahwe cause ni ba na bon ho modin pa but ya say free nyaba we ni see work last week we do come say Saturday tell me oh your program to change table west small na brapeni ejebo ejenya be do Saturday na bibia course kama and ya at least a party studio as when na say catch your medical satawale kofimole kese Amado, Familia, Kwame Eugene, I mean, name them, all the superstars, I mean, your friends, don't know any people events in Asin. Now, events is so cost to come up. And yes, Ufi, Malam, Neba, Ufi, a Casson, Neba, ultimate detox, more than 3 hours now, the events in town. Because when you say program, Neposo. Now, when I get to a I'm for British Combo. Rapping you off of the chess, but on by when you change on by the Romboa. I'm saying, but program, I see a change.
Ubusa we are certain number by any I or dog because then you when you check as a my honor. So me about my program AF na performances also. Am I in about when you say Kasai? Yeah, in this my also share media say sebi and crowd is also boamo but I could be cast or not be less than idea when you say everyone see out oh program as catch on for say I want to sign some to do. Now 1 hour 2 social media hours Sunday the baby on my action. When you say I found something, you know what it's to and that day they tell me performance never come on never can say. But so AMD medical and so on say by week in pan and then you medical but still the performing yet. Now medical see that be with the message in performing. Now you might 25 the pa. I'm off be a can once a man here. I saw for you to be soda. Me more Abraham from a back island and message. It's in the back small girl now. When you about from a cafu, you know. If I saw what is by stage and they showed they have quite your stage. You mean the medical, turn you now quantity to be there. Which are quite this dance and you buy. Now, Cocoto, you will be announced to the National Cocoton Bassa. No, yes, soda, yes. And America should be Saturday program as Fama. The Bia Costa Kama. Young as a dance artist, as a towel by stage. Ever says, that pretty Saturday, dear, who event you quite forget it. Not programming just for Western smoke. Say, I think some bang na Obia says so. Now, when I will be a you'll be in patrol, if you more of a car, be. If more say, Saturday on whom I did or I don't know who you know. A man confirm say yes, the patrol gun idea, or partisa, or walk out the pie at Awali. But sister only program now backstage now prepare. Now what is at Awali bar? That penny fast, that's 2 minutes for the postage copy for me. Now, my sister want to perform just a team. If I shall go up home, I get artists and they can ask me, yet fans for an account. If you molly neck assassin with who will put them be assay, that's all this a while bar. I get 1 minute cry fast postage and the quick review. Now, Satawale Bano perform you say team, your program. And then somebody debate part of be a count and seminar daddy. Now, artists in the bomb modding now, so that penal of a bomb. That when you are Nasa will give the catch yourself and learn from Uncle when it's a concert. Now, I don't know why you'll be there. Rapping if you see me trending now, sharp by your B. Yes, that time they know performing Larusu. And they performing now. Oh, share videos be a trend now, share. Get dinner, Brent be Genesis. I'm going to read on another. With the Yansan Amusa. Or shake getting facial, especially that you are getting this Bunimuna. Or when you say a second. It's really a facial, especially on second and so 10 years. Second your bar. Say, yes, said your bow, remove the Sabia. I said, be through more. It's all shake anymore. And then Yasan almost. I was trying to be cocky and Mupawa, see on them. I'm off for some of the you put on a surprise. I tied with the grandma. I'm off for the Jew money bomb and Manu Hopa. I'm off for Beacon. Send no more down. By me the woman who some would answer man that but first I'm for the can say no. You are gay you put it to now one and teaching that day and I'll be cost since once year. Yeah, in it's happening. Yeah, when you are near Jinaso when you say about so or when you say same Nika kind or but you might be more sad so right to music in him and send some fun home. Happening, you know to me at the job you say. Now the boss I don't know if I should say the farm boss and the boss are. The boss, Bullet 15 brother support here. Bullet here, one of the presidents, I catch with Gina when he said, Chia. When he said, Mamua, Bullet is number 1. I think the spiritual fiscal of Gina is now, Bullet war artist there in Nimuno. Also, I pick a character also Ediba, Rapping, and performing. One of the best artists and new artists are. I mean, also there are the I am about today. Now, when I brought to gymnastics to perform me, Anna, I think the fans in the year, some banning saying, I'm a hard, and our bodyguards and the paper boy in the country now. That, about 2 years, one chance here. About to gymnastics also pim. A bodyguards in you, so I didn't know where, sir. Me funny bombing saying, no more people quite tell me about to pim bodyguards in the common saying, that I'm not for say almost say it. Almost said then I'm mark on the bus to create my awareness in my artist, you know, or no about to know about everybody when you find in that bullet and I started some bringing out the cost to create attention for him. I'm also say I did about 2 years. I had See, happening, and no matter course who was starting the program at CB, and you're trying for a crabby, and you're trying for. Now, happening, I'm going to story, so eventually, I have a question. Social media, the papa, and you're for Diana, social media, so dead. Meaning, I said, you're one man, America, AMC business. Someone in the car say, so I pointed a highest area, they did the Erica. Or yeah, Juma, or yeah, could you studio? Or I pointed and say the new PR and your blogger signal post, will be a post, but penny 10 minutes a month. Now, social media law for no. Every social media, I could use some videos here. I buy one America, I pointed and say the PR no. A time ago, not all country. I'm offering you now, said medical, on the so between Prapan about the part, my sister, and I use a medical dear. No funding a fee. Last at all events, so it be our young squad, the corner squad, the queen, a year free in here. I said, the dress and will save you. I'm off from support at Tawali now, said to almost more. Hey, happening, ya point again, you and I feel like I will train you. And yeah. SM for fans for say, there's some nothing. So, okay, American wants them part and come okay. Now to come out and say, Satawali fans, say the motor bone, and SM fans for social media and so. And the almost 2 so mark America, who so now be no, per se, a bit flop here. Again, with unique yay. 1 hour point with PR, I feel sacking. But in some way, who brave. Oh, America, they are by elected by but to a part just fans for interest in Debbie. It's boys, so swam as a the Catholic. I said, I see Debbie. I got to trade disrespectful. For you to insult medical so a child is not feeling you to a canoe, Madia, and you're possible. And yet, but only been 2 been a penny in your highest area, a second record Ghana. My name is 24 hours economy now. I'm a penny Bible and saying on it this Saturday. She's only a year. She will only work I am planning for 24 hours. Yes, I did. It's not precisely because say medical someone on the car and say, well, I put again and say, Piaro, I feel of one and a cocoa. Where you getting it? The block penny has something to 2 channels and be unquoted. Bruh, the one man, I have to bows. But, should I say, she's the only person I am employed in 24 hours. Yeah, you DSL Tranica. Yes, you didn't DSL Tranica. And that's a towel, but so seen so. So, wait, Mr. Towley. Towley again now, my big cassette again, my main in the bush of Wigina. In your bar, I say, that be that on your body of Wajo. Towley Cassan cost about the time. Almost so, says a towel upon a show. So, no issue. Or Sena. Before so bad, I didn't my member. Oh, make sure on Sakawali Mammy and the street so. As some highest every canon. When you begin commonest over the big of Mamma, if I told make sure some mammy and your streets know that. No, highest every no, or mammy the air condition. It's a tawali become a miasama. So no way involve my miasam, and oh, mammy now, oh, can I say, oh, would ye, I'll become a miasam. That penny. And it's quite a just a towel class. Only calling Casanabo and declared and was a seminal. What's up, my rabbit? Yeah. Of course, I'll be the street so. It's not penny. It's a semi dance always here. I am banter to banter. Yeah. And I'm out for them, and again, it's a month for semi dance so. It's not penny. And I'll be in a course of semi dance so. Yeah. But so, the list, I'm not good to you. That penny, record the other possible Ghana, I say. Record the possible Ghana, I say. The whole world, they may not Atisa. That they need to react that. Say, what some movies, Maku 20, now an album, a premiere. Movies, Maku 20, who turning out the spot of boom, who are an album, say the idea for a album, I don't know. I couldn't cancel it. Or the sample of Unibabon, move Maku 20, and I am at Duma. Here, December, yeah, connect here, I'll be releasing now. I would pay Really Empire TV. I think we're some of the best a year. Moving that to cover from Minano. I bet on Paba. Where you have a lot of superstars. I can't for Nicolas before and on what I'm moving now. And to some movie super thing. So far so good. ɛna ɔbɛ ɛtɔ system de bi na ka kyɛ mo no
na bafo anɔpa yɛ bɛde wase sɛ wama yɛ hu nkɔmɔ a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ entertainment industry no yɛda ase wai
so that's what happening
na anɔpa yi ni abɛbɔ mu yɛfrɛ no Mr. William Ado ɔyɛ sinitwani ne din yɛ dɛn akpakyɛ anaa yɛ dɛn
yeah
akpakyɛ
ai akpakyɛ what free mu
yɛsɛ anɔpa yi anya hwe wabrɛ so no so
ɔyare kakra ali 72
still kra no da so
72 yɛ wakobi 72 wakobi
ofa hu dwane
oni eyi emi so munya age baako katavere
72 dia
no yes 72 wakobi
akayen
aka na hwan
akayen
ono hwan
72 ni nya dia
enye yi mi ma nwe so enye yi se
abayire
oh ye beko
mu yare ye kura
na ba ye nden abrabo ya ba enye sa mu afukuru hi ase chese na achina madwonku ade achi am joint enye easy ya ba ne ebekro
ese wonyi bebre kura na wu a waye enye guy
no kura mum
2% waye enye guy na eja
o wa wuntem
because say boys na girls ye na guy
now when was the last time I call guess and our boys voice a year?
Oh, say I'm a 10 hubi. And right weekends we cross some kobi.
Away, Ukrum.
You do a siena adaka natite.
And what doing? A brava more than a boy,
and a year, no.
Sir, says a year.
Do a siena adaka natite. Guinea panana.
I understand I cannot to
I'm a bushing abo kaka.
And one was saying,
I'm going to be seen as I'm on.
I don't know one come here.
Country bushing. Yo, it's a better one by a combat near the People's Parliament. You may not trust so at the amount. Anna.
And one.
I
in an above and can person that they will see Bohona Bayano when they shake concerts. And I buy no and facial expression near dear no. Or no person can become one.
Initially, you who video no na you who say na bueno.
Oh, video need a movie.
But later no, opie na you who atade na o or she straight dress be.
Yes, and I got boy no crazy job say Nika was saying
say
you said the one no see emphasize or a honum no. And
but video na ba na dey na
oh, just any na agia bro so overjoy. Oh, overjoy.
And no ye isa no.
Oh yeah dey. Now that I won't count be minimum facial expression, I be come ban facial expression. Yeah. Girls no boys energy.
Yo. All right, I'm sure you're best here.
Hello, everyone for your friend Nana Dakwa Jesse, the host of the Max Sports Park, and Max FM 89.7. If you joada, ekosi fiada, about non-crew kosi se dumye nube boa. Program no air live on Max FM. Na nika semne se die, ya system about non-du kosi se dumye nube boa. Program no SIN live on Max TV. And ho any boran crofirman so, ni akofa the major leagues around Europe. Bundesliga, the La Liga, the Premier League, Dutch Eredivisie, any de kikaon. Afeso so, ebona kutukubon sem dia, enwa any Max TV, Max FM. Unim se Bukom Boxing Arena, de biaya ho, Professional Boxing League, ya de hun sem na ebeba Max Sports Park jumedie no so. Afeso so, Ghana Premier League, the Women's Premier League, and the Division 1 League, ya de the statistics and all the details you want to know about the local football. And I think agudi ensema ekoso yemaimu. Your segment bit to say the predictor. Emuhampa, ya the matches beba, ya be more odds. Now so what's me trebia dibi. Sounds so any other big interviews and penifo kukuda omo kasa edimu ewo Ghana. Any we are say agudi ensem omo any omo etwetwem komo. Inti Shiame, minima bedra for if it's Joada, Ekosi Fiada, or Max FM and Max TV.
Minsaka Mikao!
Now what so dear?
Hey, Charlie, what's it? Imagine buying your favorite gadget and driving home a sleek saloon car.
Oh, Oh, yes. With Max Buys You Shop, You Drive promo, every purchase brings you closer to amazing prizes.
Just shop any product from Max Buy between 7th November to 31st December
And stand a chance to win a sleek salon car, TVs, smartphones, and more. Your next buy could make you a winner.
So what are you waiting for? Shop now and let's make your dream drivable with Max Buy.
Max Buy. You shop,
you drive. For further enquiries, call Max Buy on 054 401 9552. Terms and conditions apply. Approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. What?
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. 'Cause reggae.
Calling on all alumni. Join us every Saturday at 9 a.m. on School Connect, the ultimate platform to reconnect with your alma mater and share your founder's memory.
Let us spread great Okwasi.
Share your story.
We are the only and first college in Ghana.
The only secondary school administration board with a helipad.
It's Tema Secondary School.
What school near you know? You have to go to Presec to be shaped.
Revisit your school days and reminisce about your time with friends and teachers. Showcase your school ongoing and upcoming project. Inspire current students and make your school proud. Be part of the connection. Don't miss this opportunity to reunite with old friends and classmates. Network with fellow alumni. Give back to your school community. Tune in every Saturday at 9 a.m. Schools Connect, where memories are revisited and new connections are made. Live on Max TV, Max FM 89.7 and online max.com.gh.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insurance cry. Essence deal kesi every Max Buy abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and Max Buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you now absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlet to start shopping. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
$89.7 will rock. Max FM, what do you Okita say?
Kumi kasa eye baako kɛse kwasi ada untumi fa do adanso untumi fa bladanso kumi ututuka ututudam utututam wajibam watufie watubum watutodan obeje bam betu kam kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Majiwedi tina me dane di wunji di misibisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi fe be aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM koswa fili masanya se
Welcome to Monday Morning. Welcome to Monday Morning. Max FM. 89.7.
Your love, they suit me. I take it to the altar. Put the ring for your finger. Oh baby, tina me no. I really want to make you membera. No matter what I get, go talk, now you my love. You are my papa, oh baby. My sugar banana. You are my papa. You are my sugar banana. So baby, make I love you. Make I kiss you. I wanna hug you. Baby, let me feel you. Hey, oh that's the one. You mo take around the corner, someone. I can see it for me. Your love, they sweet me. Oh, that's the man. Make I take it to the altar. Put the ring for your finger. Oh, that's the man. I made it out. But you mo take around the corner. Walabako, 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 walabako.
Why did they mean to me now? I check my dog, your love you awesome. In fact, your love is stubborn. I check my dog, your love you awesome. In fact, your love is stubborn. I'm here for why did they be able to me? I'm here, why did they mean to me now? But that's the man. I made it, I won't go. But you won't take around the court, that's the man. I can see it for me. Your love, they sweet me, oh that's the man. Make I take it to the altar. Put the ring for your finger, oh that's the man. I made it, I won't go. Put you more take around the oh that's the man. I can see it, I can see it, I can see it, I can see it. Forever and ever.
Welcome to Monday Morning.
Forever and ever, forever.
Max FM. Max FM. 89.7.
I'm here for you I'll be a fool. You're my heart desire, you're my life wire. Your love is true, you got me feeling so blue. Your tender tickle tells me we'll see your wrinkles. Me chinchini, 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 mananti, mananti, mananti. Still, we're number one. Me love you, me small boat, I'm ocean.
Forever and ever, forever and ever, ever, ever. I'll be yours. Forever and ever, forever and ever, ever, ever. I'll be yours.
Yes, I want you in my life. You damn right, I could be your wife. I feel like Superwoman, now you go be my Spider-Man.
All right, I'm sure I'm going from Max 89.7. Max Morning, the one was Sugusu out in Yanquem and Afe and Comahodo, I can infant to us on Yanque. Na update a hodo ewo ye novela na ye ewo Mass TV no yemfa ema na osha na entiase no edimu ye ediama na busuafo na tena se ya mame akofa eofia na afenso Petra so agina ku ampamcho anopa mo tesen
ye hu yo
Mami financial here.
Me patro ne no me pesa me ke hwire e hyase mami. Enti no me ke hwire de me hyase na ma so ne so.
And I for half sisters and hyase. Na no say ye betra ha ka say e rina. Just why no ho bot sa on pesa no kwe ba be dey. Na sisa de finally mean so obi o share Friday bia na ni agi. Me sure say omo ya akoko nam ho muko akoko nam kra because baby edru ne de
enije ba
enije pa akoko nam
akoko ye ko bronya mu nte ya akoko
omuko akoko
ne yenhu akoko nam
ye ko akoko nam adan
akoko nam
ye ko akoko nam ene ye cheye
oza me kuto aja wasu
ye ko akoko nam ne ye cheye ati because any jaba and abasano so say you nkwa nam na yenchere
okay
because finally Rina etimi ehia benji ama waka no kwa wo mu nyina hye ne say Diana mom ene ye ne baba na enye Ashley otimi ka nyina de esi nyina say the Alfred no exercise DNA test o ya okro omode eye Rina no afemu nyina otimi safi de benji ade na ye ne ya ye pan so say Onuka ka se me kra na me nya atinka bi se Diana na ye me bawo na onima de nti a we ndi na tinka echi na emum otietie de ewo nkofo anu ana se de amanfo ye de e kan o se ye ne ya pass esan se wetime yi ne ba ama ko se bedru bebi kra bibia ahye na papa Diana no no kra no ene ne ba na koside ko so ntimi hu so onko hwan fa won na so onko hwan afa na chese ne bana na also on defending no but se na wabehu ne kwedi gidi se onne Diana relationship die ebe fa like ebe ko yi papa obetimi ne na se eja any oba because Diana ultimately say ni wi asem oba yi de wa hwehwa ni se obenya da fatherly love because ene pe na wenya o ma me do ni so o ma me do no na papa a obedo no de wenya isa ne se Alfred at sitting fitting mo fra sibrema
oyomu Diana wa bre enti na chese we no adetuade a yenye fefrim ne say onipa sa wo ho na se de bia when you are doing something and you are hearing the so small voice bibi catch ra wo say aka we na ye papa eto de bia try and see because Benji or Dina think kanechi a anka obehunu say Diana eye ne ba o sim de bia bibi catch ra ne say Diana eye ne ba na so eja DNA enti na say DNA ni should it be trusted with an answer maybe and trusted so be am temper with it anka ye but for people those who don't know and everything they want to temper with it anything akoye say na akoye say DNA na akoye bibia wo ho but odi na think kanechi anka mba ne sa Uka yo idiot. And
then the wildflower.
And the wildflower, the wildflower. And now no so Missy Ben Massa or do obia. Now what tia should be do moi. Oh, your third person, you're very careful. So, walk up here your moon some because of me you want on chain no more but together and what they would do to you, you wouldn't like. Nympha, and I know what first say, walk up ama way when you're a bus of body because what done is spy. And I will call you or Emilia when who no coffee on no Anado. Anado, and I'll catch an Anado, Anado. Ivy Aguas on a come yan the year Jumo, on no support your on no more musica, blah 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 blah. Boy, you say Jai Avintesa, Ninana boy you create to, or sing just some now can accolades won't ye, just some now can accolades and a bar. Okuno. Because also what draw ban to on your side in the cock, I said, made dog to Western said, and yet you'll be back on a meetier. Or my back, I say, this but mean tear because don't know me one my wunty. And tonight as I would do be dear. Now as I say, Sissy was open some more done anymore in a cost year, dear. Sissy was so never would on us. I could see you more, and I was waffany Sam. And I can't buy me love or so a jar, bingo, mammy. Bingo mammy feed or be in whippy or ya put for cassia and vatiacas if one of promo or more chew for an crop for mobino and see a nedia or be revealing a one diatre and to win you nano or share and you breya ube who say and your ma air bobo bow your novelist in Mona and
Max Steve
and tin wash us and shanna tra ye yin and I was wishing at ye free. Because ya can put your siandi different into was ocean, siandi different, and shan it track. What say? Time is your pong, your mass money due, your pepe, wildfire, the best to one channel, no one shed ye see ye, dear Mekan, and shed into detail. Now your born one as well, the house sisters, 1 p.m. to 2, the house sisters, and also share. And then 4 p.m. can't buy me love. Dear Macan be brenane a sissimu and not wife. Share my and what it. Then you breast 7 no. Now the house sisters are back, but before then you baby brothers from 5 to 7 p.m. So from 7 p.m. house sisters to 8, you know, not 8 to 9. No need the wildflower at the amount, and then 9 to 10 is can't buy me love. So I've told you the repeating times and all that. Until now, watching a queen, you better was what you know.
I don't pay a better master here to Safra Mobile, Edamas.
Yes, we are.
That's right.
Yes.
I'm your go switch.
Oh, Major Super Papa, Major. I hope that be able to so decide.
I'm going to hear me.
But your boss week is your chair.
This one's for the one in love, and for the one who's found that one and place no one above. I some many copina, I worry for the more I'm a trimpina. So that was the one to me, the one tonight. This one is for you.
All right, James, young queen man, young far, young street vibe, Debbie. Young pa people's.
And Rakoy.
Young far people's parliament, you made an entrance or Enfama, Ubina to Medru. Manco baby, Ubina to
Medru. And Gaza does Obina Pomidia was said you. Obia to a drubla.
And you,
and when
Ubasa Kakakani, the cook.
Oh, yeah. We are baby. I don't want to because and easy. Send you a each lady.
Oh,
sure. I didn't see us over to me. I can hear
Charlie weekends, Crannis, Charlie says, a year, Charlie weekends.
I tell you, Kumi. Unya ho twa bro.
Charlie.
Na re wo sem say wo bo woni tabraba na Monday na sanso. Monday ni de dachi bia mba bi be president America ten say on cancel Monday.
Onya hu bibi wa hu.
Onya hu bibi na yen she week na Tuesday. Anu odin.
Anya easy.
Anu odin.
Anya easy, but we are very fine.
Us ani enya dodo.
Enti ya ba be oso aba.
Ye frɛ na nche be di hu nkomo nti agya.
Oh.
Have you ever been in love so deep? When you think about it, you can't sleep. When you wake up, she's the air you breathe. But now for some reason, been in love so deep. When you think about it, you can't sleep. When you wake up, she's the air you breathe. But now for some reason, she's got to leave. And you wish there was another way out. And it hurts so bad, like ouch. Now you have to live without her. And like Michael Bolton, you thinking how? Cause your world evolved around her. And ever since the day that you found her, you made her queen of your heart. You made her queen, you crowned her. But now she's gotta drop off her. Decision making is tougher. You don't wanna be a selfish lover, so you gotta let her go, cause you love her.
Max FM 89.7.
All right, I'm saying you're anywhere na yen share common as na emreno etia empire na yene ye nuabema Amanziba Fifi Smith eba betwetwen komo oye okay oye fashion critic afi so yesamba ye entertainment nso a o gina ne nan so pa enti ene yene no ba bedin komo Ediafa the state of fashion business ewo Ghana. Amanziba kwa babium.
Brian ya.
Bibia boko.
Nyankopon adom.
San hoden wo ho.
Oh, umpa boy, even though the bompa mam the bat. That's how I have to put it.
And I can hear mum. I can hear. What you am continue your money tell.
Okay.
From baby out any baby ugina view the current state of fashion business our Ghana who is saying
it is growing and we are expanding in that sector but mohian there abanenwa boko that aspect because at first the reason why I'm saying it is growing, it's expanding is there. At first you hardly see people when you are in church, you hardly see people, or even weddings, parties, you hardly see people in African regalias.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But these days you find a lot more people, even when you go to church.
Sure.
That's the most fascinating aspect in this whole thing.
Sure.
Eko chapra, out of about 100 people in the church, about 90 of them are in African clothes.
Yeah, sure.
Products made in Ghana, and thereby doing that, it's expanding our economy, helping the economy, improving the economy, making our GDP grow. Yes.
Say ye ka say fashion business then yen de ubisan ya ye ni momo mo pamatade no agya omo ne from fashion designers menim ya ye hye no so ye ka ho obi nso ho a onim atade ne pam waje ne shop agye entade ne bi na oton obi nso ho no so oye importation ekaka ne fashion business no ene ne ye wahe.
Okay, first of all, when we say fashion, let's get the basic. Fashion is the creation or combination of fabrics or colors to come out with it for how do you call it with something we call garments. Today me a shade obi to dinadwin bobom kaka nyama senyi hunde this very color will blend with this will blend with this. Let me stitch it together. Mama pam mumfam bom no man meye ada oil feel to that shirt I share one. Until when it comes out and when someone sees the person who says, oh, this is a beautiful shirt. Wow, it's a nice shirt, right? That is what we call, let's say, how do you call it? Fashion, right? But it goes beyond that. There's that modeling aspect in fashion. There's that often the stitching, the garment aspect in fashion. Obi one me one autumn fabrics, right? Fabrics no autumn mopocho otse what we call color combination. Aspa and with fashion, if you don't have the passion, you can't do it. If you don't have passion for fashion, you can't do it. You must develop or have that passion for fashion before you can do it. It's more or less like radio that you are doing. It's always you need that passion for radio. Believe in me, no matter how good you are, you still can excel. You get it? So you must develop that fashion. You see your DJ Holy.
Yeah.
Look at the way I want to combine ne costume. When you check the colors, maybe who was in who also, right? Yes, that means that he understands what he's putting on. And sometimes you see a lot of times people too much we won't say I couldn't say but we could not blend it together to make it look attractive to attract that eyes or that eyeballs. Yes.
Okay, passion as we not say yen shade any skills and as qualities be any why I was so be endu hands no betimi abaye better fashion designer.
No, you must.
Okay.
You must. There is. And I'm gonna say if you don't have the passion for fashion, your interest in it won't grow. No one stands up in the morning. Obian sola na pa en kadewa mo kwa kusua de pamewa. Say be adwuma na lokwa ken any interest in the business or in the job, you can't do it. In budget as you must have that antics. And again, you must also create that niche. That niche for yourself. If you want to get into that, that niche is something that you'll be identified with. You'll be called, people will see you with. You understand it? Yeah, and we're a brand. You're kind of brand. When you're able to create that niche for yourself now, then it becomes part and parcel of you. Then they say, oh, Charlie, this guy, he has the brand. You understand? Anything you put it on, it looks good and beautiful on you.
All my education on branding, no. Obitie na ni beje ho se ode ne ho bewura into fashion na dwuma yi a yedi ho nkomo yi on starting hefa ahoden no on hyase we he kwamen so no befa obetimi a sustain ne din no anase ne branding no onye ne den na onyina ne nan so e Ghana.
You see obi pam some will sew, some will sell, some will wear. When you are able to create that niche for yourselves, let's say you are getting into it now, you must do what we call the analysis check, right? If you do those things now, it will tell you to know which area or which sector you must veer into specifically. Obi wo hold me one work from the name so we can look at the pam obi sidom me pede mo ko sua mmesiafo ental obi sidom me I want to go and learn how to sew suits. Obi sidom me specialty is shirts. Obi sidom me specialty is in jackets. Right? So when you are going you must have that conscientized mind there. This is what I want to get into. Interlocal where you are going. There are a lot of fashion designers, what we call seamstress and tailors, but they are qualified from fashion designers. A lot of them doesn't do, let's say, all. Obi one more shop, he only sews suits.
Yeah.
Obi so on kaftan. You get it?
Yeah.
So if you want kaftan, you know where to go to. Say perepa mombana one tarumba, you know where to also veer towards. You get it. These are basically some of the things. So first you must also identify which areas and where specifically that you must go. Right? Let me give you a typical example. There are a lot of radio personals across Ghana, and some big men in this country. I can't mention names. Some will call you. They will tell you, Charlie, I want to go to so and so place. Today I'm going here. What do I wear? What should I wear? You understand it? Do I go with local? I mean the traditional one.
And then I be say no event be any baby I could be any atadi or wasa.
Of course, because you can't wear bikini to the church. You can't wear bikini to someone's wedding, and you can't dress more than the groomsman. Yes. And so that's the reason why a lot of times since we build your wedding, it is not disclosed. You won't see it until the final day. Because the more traded at Zamokakashenya, and few people need to cry one time. They make that person useless. You understand it? You remember quite recently, when the video was doing his blessing in America.
Yeah.
We complained about his outfit. In Taro shared the suit he wear it wasn't on top. Right? Even the auto jacket you find some places crumpled. Yeah. Right? There are better people in this country, even in Ghana, in Africa, who could have done that better good yeoman job for him. But a lot of the times when Obi was sika or food, no, I can have whatever that I want. So, let's go for anything that we feel that will suit me. But when you have a specialist solely in that area, the person can direct you what to wear, what not to wear. You like this as a radio presenter. If I want to sell you as a brand or as a product, I know how to go around you to make you look more attractive. Sure. What to put on, what not to put on, at what particular day. I could tell you this Monday, today, Mondays, these are the style you're going to go. Tuesdays, you're going to go this style. Wednesdays, you're going to go this style. Thursdays, you go this style. Friday, we say we go all out. But that's as that.
Fashion designers are hold a chicken command, and not Tadia no cry, my pam will be a top, my pama Tadia no cry no one budget. Ghana Siciano, at the end, what are some of the best ways fashion designers? Ebit me, I showcase your money, man. I said, Ombeti me, a fadia tom money, or bro Montran said, my pama, my Jews, Fasika, man, now magic, my pam will be anto. Quite mention on before meeting me, I find your way to the market.
You see, again, they must say a fashion designer, and I say, Obili Babed, Obizadre more, they're man. Right? So something for me. The best thing you ought to do is that you can't just say, give it to me and go. If not, your place will become a dumping place. So, first, Nipan Banema, Lepam, Jimu half. Right? It's Jimu half, that's a name fabrics or back away. Obuhunu there. No, I've given you money, I still have fabric. They are better or baba. But sakati no famam. Na me from my bar. I mean that person won't take it serious. Again, if you also want to situate that offending in a proper way now. First in the one social media one and them be IFO kakra. No, why easy. Let me put it that why a bit easy for us. But it is good for you to create that length. That length before. I mean, Obi you want more what we call customers. You look out for people who you feel that you can so for to sell if that's how you want to do it. But these days, like I said, social media had made it so easy and simple for some of us. When you sow now, there's that platform out there you can place it on. At that permanent for the oil or your quality, you can place it there. I mean, 1 or 2 or 3 people will start seeing it. Then when they buy it, let's say Obisha, who did this for you? You say, oh, it is Kumi, or it is Holy, who did this thing for me? You understand it? Thereby, then word of mouth will begin to sell those things bit by bit. Yeah.
A kwame so and I made me protect my brand legally from registration to design protection. Yeah, kwame so and I made me protect my brand. Just so be to me. Anya ni ameme ni bi kwame so
You have to register. You have to do registration, and again, it's also good to also find a legal advice or a legal person to also take you through some of these things. In you become a correctional journalist department, I mean, you'll be directed in what to do. And again, you see, there are some products or artifacts that we bring out in Ewa. You must hold what we call the sole right of it. These days, like you said, you see, when you go on social media, you find people sewing and putting it there. I screenshot and I copy. Net I come out tailor. But it's come out tailor name. Tailor no wapam damo or ni creation. No why on. So this it is a bit difficult in those areas. But again, you can still do it. How do you do it? When you are protecting those things, the best thing you ought to do is that you must go and register it. Right? Then it becomes your property. That this thing is yours. That's the reason why when you see Christian Louboutin, a Louboutin shoe, Louboutin was the one who brought that shoe in. Shoe na see a red. Right? Shoe na see a red. It was a Louboutin creation. And so on autumn, handmade, factory made in Ria. Also do more kinds. I had to do what we call merchandising. It has no the Amma or the right time I probably say the Chinese companies. Then they also do he gets to share all right. So we can do we can learn from all of this.
Be a designer and I say coming out with on one own designs at the Pimpama Tadia. Will be any whole right so Pam the same Atadi.
And botuma pembewa. But because you own the original right in one, I registered it as a trademark and in one. Baby, and you pan Beshaba baby and one. Obi will say, this is Max product. You understand it? This is Max FM colors. Max FM is blue, white, and red. Moboa. Until baby, I will put behind one. Someone might say that Max FM's colors, it is blue, red, and white. Because I registered, and you are the only radio station that holds this as your brand. Sure. Until anywhere you go, you'll be identified with it that this is Max FM. But that doesn't mean that someone can still use the same color. But the way you have used it, and the person can use it as it is. You understand it? But again, ubi why offending the product be abano, atari be abano. Suit ni oyefio. Na za kama offend suit fence maker. No, why we produce them suits in that moment. But what you say, Christian Louboutin, and they be a Giorgio Armani. Maybe I turn to my metro. Why do you have to sew my suit? You understand? But this suit looks like an Armani suit. And so they back at any panel. It's not Armani. It was done by my designer. Really, let's see. Into every suit has a tag in. You understand it? Yes. Every suit has a tag in. These are I mean basic things that differentiate some of these things. Yeah.
Can they say no? Your fashion designers are hodwa after sell my pama tadia we amount no more tag a boom.
Yeah.
More hokwaness a way of promoting or brand nibi and I say Sana was someone
no, they are creating identity for themselves.
More rightness
of course.
After paying you pama tadia mamma.
Of course.
And yet in the form of advert farmer.
That is my works. Right. And this is how I do my things. You knew it and you saw it in Huni answer. You showed interest in it. So if I've sold it in the movie, I should be able to target like the way Oshemiwa say so your friend and or your Amani and our GFF Gianfranco Ferreira. Gianfranco Ferreira because you feel so proud about it, right? Yeah, sure. So why is it that when you see a cloth made by Amanzaba or Sean Woos, right, creations now, let's say you find Sean Woos at the edge of your pocket now, you say, no, I don't want that name there, I'll take it out. No. It's not done anywhere. But a lot of times, you see, we don't put it where, let's say, it will block the beauty of the dress. Usually, when you pocket and no boka krebi, and maybe a wukunechi, and not inside, and maybe a tarina day. These are the places that I mean you need to put those things at, but you can't put it like on my chest like that. No, that one there, I won't agree.
Years ago now, yes, you be copama there, or be a tailor, or be a natural assembly, be a school acquire one passe, not just yes, your corner, uncle penny and San Reguma. And that's what is I.
No, you see, that's why in recent days there's something we call TVET, right? Into TVET and or your schooler, wokusunya offending, and technical schools, wokusunya in San Juma, obi wo hodma, opportunity wa abono, on money, but our interest in learning a trade. You understand it? Obi we school, nessa obakade mo kwa pe juma, ma kanant na to amanfodo, na ma pe juma, ma kanant to ha ma ide nema. They want to cut that burden off. So after school, another within the school company, and some back of na okita nensa no juma to obo obo bia na obo babo na already employed. You get it? No, you're already employed. He wouldn't need to come and depend on someone before he or she will grow up. In recent days, some secondary schools say na I think they were doing some fashion designing. Abundant students were showcasing the clothes they themselves have sewn. So as a young boy, young girl, right, I might have that passion. I mean, that's the angle I chose. But still, I want to do law. Or I want to do medicine. If I go to that area, after school, I could do something with it. Create a business for myself. Then from there, I can go to, let's say, the school that I want to go on. Thereby, it will help me to be able to create or make something for myself to help me in my education, not necessarily depending on my parents. Yes.
Yeah. Abanza ba yebeja na wakoi o final words wa futu a ode ma obi a nani beje ho say that you be your fashion designer na so be into this fashion business. Advice be na ode ma yenye ne sen on fa yenye.
Yeah, for me, what I was saying is when you watch China, you see, we always say that China is grown, and the level at which China has gotten to now, it's all about book and quoting. I'm not saying don't go to school, but again, attach trade or specific areas that I feel there. I have interest in these areas. Pursue those things. Na demonstrate Juman or Horm, or as a young boy, as a young woman. So that in the next future, you wouldn't be a burden to the state, but rather you be a property to the state, but not a liability. Until where you feel there, or can then, and you must learn a trade from. Please don't shy away from it. If it's fashion designing, if it's carpentry, if it's bakery, if it is offending, what have you, right? Show that interest and go and learn. At the end of the day, both we school now OPS na make dey be ono kokosuan okokoye me fans dey be medicine nema no ni edwuma ansa ono ba be edwuma, you become self-independent. So I will advise my young people to not to only say they want to pursue secondary education, but they should also veer into trade, right? Trade as in Sanojuma, TVET, and those areas. It's a good thing. I believe it will help the country. But fashion, it's good.
All right, you better know about me. If personally one casa or upcoming event be or share for this new fashion designers and also classes be I don't know. So maybe
yes, I did this thing a couple of years ago in Kumasi.
Oh, okay.
It was a fashion show.
Okay.
We put all fashion designers together. We invited them to the radio studios, interviewed them. First of all, we have to let them build that passion for it before. And say, Emma, them opportunity for them to also be heard where they are and all those things. And then you put all of them together. You get about 100 or 70 of them together now. It's called a fashion festival. Fashion festival.
Oh, okay.
You put Ghana made or Ghanaian designers together under one umbrella. come and showcase what you can do, what you are doing, what you've done to the world for us to see. Show us the way and manner you did all those things. Let's put cameras on them. Then we push it out there to sell the brand that you are doing. The urban them now, brother. I mean, people will see you. You understand it? There's an opportunity for you to join such a trend. When it comes now, I'm sure there. You'll be able to, make something good out of it. And again, in fashion, it's about connection. You creating the connection and the links. That's the most important.
All right. Amanzabado number but to Jana and Church will be a channel the Amawe now from Yaji.
Oh, Mopocho say if you need me for shopping as a big man, as a big woman, if you don't have that time, that luxury to get into those things, you can also call me on 0244 0244 626940 626940. Again, if you also want to learn fashion tips, or you want to invite me to come and speak to your friend, then this number is very, very much available. 0244 626940. We'll come and talk to them. We'll create the opportunity for them. We'll show you the way and tell you how it must be done. And if it must be done, it must be done well. Yes.
Amanzaba Fifi Smith and a payada say, what my yada pa.
Brother Medas, Masumadas.
You. I'm seeing a friend Kumikasa, a hand and remember my Kwani a day, maximum in the Juma, the NBC, many thanks and comma production team, DJ Holly, the beautiful Greeno, Arenda Kwao, Mr. Bobby, a producer, Yada Masbaya say, Nefias, Danny Bisu and comma, Mega Cash Lucky Boss, Homo Boy, and Sika Femuman, and pay Yababa Somo. Yanko Poya do my channel, Pai, Bessia, and the maximum in the Juma, the friend Kumikasa.